Everybody's talking about lawyer on the phone. This shit don't make sense. I don't understand. I'm gonna get this shit.
Like I said, we just got asked to move you, so an investigator will come talk to you,
I'll explain everything.
and they'll get you up to speed on what's going on. And
But I'm the only one here.
do you want to be more specific? Like, you're the only one that I'm dealing with.
Oh, Sam,
Like I said, we just got asked to move you so she can clean this room.
I am at this point right now. You're up here for first degree premeditated murder. Okay. So what I'm trying to do, you're telling me that you're not involved in it. Okay. So tell me more about you not being involved in it. Tell me more, because you're telling me you want me to exonerate you. In other words, you want me to say that you don't have anything to do with this.
I really don't.
Okay. So then in that case, help me explain that.
That's why I need a lawyer or something, bro, because I don't know what to tell y'all. I don't know what to tell y'all, bro. I don't do that shit for real.
Well, I mean, that's
I just drove that car before. That's the only reason my name ever came up.
okay, but that point, that is your choice.
In some interrogations, the viewer sees the person being interrogated asking for a lawyer, but the questions continue, and the detectives pull a confession. So, in that situation, will the confession be thrown out? That is the issue we tackle in this video, a real-life example from Pensacola, Florida. Welcome to Deep Dive True Crime. A Florida man served about 2 years after being convicted of murdering a football star, but the conviction was overturned. On this channel, we publish a lot of interrogation videos, and often people in the comments ask, this person asked for a lawyer. Is the confession going to be suppressed? Will the interrogation be thrown out? The answer is always complicated. Sometimes the confession will be thrown out, sometimes it won't. Details matter. In this particular case, we will talk about an interrogation in which a defendant, who was later convicted of first-degree murder, asked for legal counsel 3 times, and each time he was ignored. And then later, when they finally listened to him and detectives stopped questioning him, he started to think it over, and then asked to restart the interrogation. Then, he provided more incriminating statements that were later used to secure his conviction. And so the question is, should the interrogation be thrown out? At the trial level, it was not thrown out. His defense attorney filed a motion to suppress, but the motion was denied. He was eventually convicted, and an appeal followed. Then, in July of 2025, about 2 years after Daquavion started serving his sentence, the appellate court disagreed with the trial court. They reversed the conviction because of the conduct of the detectives in ignoring Daquavion's multiple requests for a lawyer. Okay, let me give you some of the background facts, and then you can watch the interrogation for yourself. In the early morning hours of July 1st, 2021, Kennesaw State quarterback Ladarius Clardy, 18, had arrived on a home visit 2 hours earlier. Within 2 hours of his arrival, while he was riding his vehicle with a passenger, Eric Young, several suspects fired about 50 shots at his vehicle, killing Clardy and injuring his male friend passenger, Eric. The defendant, Snowden, was taken into custody following execution of a search warrant at registered address for the license plate of the vehicle used during the shooting. After his arrest, Snowden, shirtless and without shoes, was put in an interrogation room, chained to a table, and told that investigators would interview him soon. Daquavion Keamos Snowden, while waiting, vomited on the floor. Officers came in to remove him so that the room could be cleaned. During his removal from the room, the following exchange occurred between Snowden and the officers. Snowden: is there any way I can talk to my lawyer or anything? This shit don't make sense. Officer: like I said, we just got asked to move you, so the investigator will come talk to you, and they will get you up to speed on what is going on. Officers returned Snowden to the room after several minutes. An hour later, 2 investigators entered the room. Okay, why don't you watch with us? And maybe you can see why the appellate judges had a big issue with how this interrogation was handled and reverse the conviction. After the interrogation, I will come back to tell you about the shocking developments since then. Here we go.
And today is a sad day for Pensacola. Many people will go to Ladarius Clardy. I know him as LD because he played in a program that I spent my life coaching. A wonderful, honest student, a great athlete, but more importantly, a young man that has lost his life to violence. We ask, Please cooperate with law enforcement, cooperate with community. If you have information that you can share, please share it. It's very important for our community to resolve this senseless act of violence.
Mr. Mark?
Thank you so much, Sheriff. First and foremost, I would like to say that on behalf of the family that they are certainly grieving, but in the midst of their grief, they are extremely appreciative for this wonderful city, and definitely Sheriff Simmons for all that he has done as his entire staff for keeping the family up to date and providing some sense of solace for them. At the present time, they are, as you can probably imagine, going through extreme grief. At the present time, they are seeking information that could further console them. And you, the public, you can do just that. For many of us that have rooted for LD, for many of us who have been at those football games and cheered him on in support of him, well, guess what? You have another opportunity where you can support him by way of letting us know who did this senseless act. LD has a mother who cares for him, a mother who is sitting numb at this present moment. He has a dad who was actively attentive in his life, as with any dad who cares for his children. At this present time, he has a grandmother, grandmothers, he has cousins, he has nieces and those who look up to him, asking why for this wonderful, bright, brilliant young man. And so I ask two things of you. Number one, and that is, first and foremost, to keep the family in your prayers. I can express, even as a pastor, how difficult that this has been to try and console them during this most difficult time. In my 25 years of pastoring, I must say that this is one of the most extreme cases that leaves you utterly speechless. So with that being said, again, for you to pray for the family, both his mother, as well as his dad, and the entire family. This is not someone who is just a loose kid, just out there running the streets. His family is very, very active. He attends our church, youth department, singing, participating in our entire youth department. I can't express enough. And so I'll end with my second thing, and that is, as I've stated on the outset, if you want to do something for this family, and as you've supported LD on the football field, support him now in his unfortunate demise by stepping up to the plate and helping Sheriff Simmons to solve this case so that we as a community can get some kind of, again, solace by way of this senseless act. Thank you so much, Commissioner May. Commissioner May and Councilman.
Oh, man. I'm Investigator Harris. This is Sergeant Coxwell.
Hey, man.
Supervisor.
How are you?
And with robbery homicide. The reason you're up here is for the Ladarius Clardy homicide. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used as evidence against you in court. You have the right to have a lawyer present while being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer will be appointed for you without cost before questioning. If you wish to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey,
what's
where do you live at?
Fairfield.
I'm sorry?
Fairfield.
Fairfield Drive? What's the address on Fairfield?
4020.
4020. You know who stays at 212 Jackson?
I'm my brother house.
That's your brother's? He
Amos.
stays there?
Ames. I'm my brother.
Didn't he used to live there with Rayla?
Yeah.
What happened to Rayla?
She better. Well, that's when she left. That's when I ended up coming over. Really.
Well, I mean, did she start living with her mom again, or what?
I think she stayed with her homegirl.
Oh, she stayed. Which homegirl?
Oh,
Okay, the reason I'm asking is because I thought she was with her mom.
Oh, no, I don't think so.
Okay. Recognize this guy?
Oh, cousin.
Your cousin. Cool. That's his high school photo.
You know what's so crazy about all this shit? I know already.
And
We already knew y'all was gonna come get us because something like that.
here's what he looks like after. Okay.
How'd you know that we were coming?
Cause we talked to his daddy.
His daddy?
Yeah, and his dad our cousin.
How are y'all related?
Cause he can they came on my dad's side. So like they canned us. But like see we already knew once they got EJ and the other one, we already knew what was going on, low key like.
Well, here's the thing, okay? We already talked to Amos.
Yeah.
So, you know.
He has some kind of enlightening things to say.
And that's what he looked like after.
Oh.
Yeah. That's Ladarius, what's left of him.
Daquavion, the best thing that I can say for you is to tell your part instead of letting other people tell it, because Amos told his part and is trying to put a different spin on it.
And I don't, you know, it's just like anything else when we go through situations like this. You know, even brothers or cousins or whatever, we don't have friends when it comes to, you know, what has happened here. Now his mother, I talk to his mother every day. Okay. I do speak to her every day and speak to his father every day too. And really what they're looking for and what, you know, kind of what your brother gave us a little bit is that, you know, this is going to be some kind of closure for them. Okay. So they can understand why, because I already know it was a mistake, you know, and that's what he confirmed too, was that that's not who you were trying to get. And I totally get it.
You said me?
I'm saying that's what he said.
Oh, he said that's not who he was trying to get.
I'm not saying that.
Oh,
All I'm saying.
I'm gonna be honest, bro. I'm gonna keep that shit to you, which can't nobody say I did anything. I swear to God. For the simple fact of if they say I did anything, they'll be lying. Yeah, they'll be a fucking lie. Cause like the simple fact of when they said at the first it came out to be, when y'all first got EJ, cause we talked to the dad. I swear to God, the dad said EJ saying that Amos the shooter. It went from that shortly to his dad coming to my auntie telling her that
EJ never said that.
Exactly. That's
I'm
what
the one to talk to EJ. I talked to EJ and I talked to Ladarius. Listen, just for a second.
What I'm saying.
Just for a second. Just listen. Okay. I talked to both of them already. Right.
And
I
they
can-
said who they gave the car to.
I can tell you already that I know you, Brent. Okay. I already know this. And not just from little things, but from people that I talk to. Also, you know, we have DNA out of the vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay. So I already know you were in that car, right?
I mean, I done drove it before. I can say that, yes.
Well, the license plate's in your backyard, brother.
What license plate?
The license plate from that car is in your backyard.
In my backyard?
Yeah. In your backyard.
What backyard?
The one that you just came from just now.
Right? That's not my house.
No. Like the one that you said you were staying with your brother at the trailer. That's the license plate's in your backyard. The key is in your house. The key to the car is in your house. Inside the house.
My house.
I'm telling you, well, then I guess you guys will have to fight it out in court because your brother already said that. Your brother already said you were both in the vehicle. All right. Your brother says the same thing. Okay. Your brother says, look, I wasn't the one that was shooter. It wasn't me.
I didn't.
Okay?
I'm not
But he says I was there. You know, he says Daquavion was there. Okay. He also told me somebody else that was there too.
I
Okay.
drove that car.
But the whole thing of this is, right, at the very beginning of this, when we start out, when you look up there and you see that camera up there, correct? You look at the camera and you see it and you think to yourself, okay, I'm speaking to an audience in some aspects because that's going to be the jury, right? The jury's going to look down here and they're going to look at you just like they looked at him. Okay. When he talks about stuff, he shows remorse. He feels sorry about it. He feels horrible about it. He didn't want it to happen.
Well, that's not why I threw up. So that's threw up. I was like,
I'm not worried about you throwing up. I'm just
yeah,
saying.
I'm not comfortable. This is my first time coming through some shit like this.
I know. That's why I'm talking to you. That's why I'm
I
giving
know
you.
for a fact I'm not no trigger man. I didn't kill this man.
How did you get the car?
How did I get the car?
Baby steps. Let's take baby steps. How did you get the car?
Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I got the car. Shit. Be honest, I never like fully had the car.
What do you mean you never fully had it?
Like, I never had the car in my own possession. Like, I didn't see it.
You were
Yeah.
driving it. You were driving
Be
it.
honest, I drove one time.
Kadaris was in the back seat when you were driving it.
Kadaris was in the back seat. No.
Yeah, Kadaris was in the back seat when you
No,
were driving
actually, when Kadaris came with the car, he was in the front seat. And he like, oh yeah, cause I got a car, this and that. And I took it for a spin that night. And we ain't never go nowhere. I swear to God.
What night was that? Do you remember?
No, that was way before.
Could have been way before. The vehicle was stolen on the 25th.
Okay, and he died on the 1st.
Yeah.
So if it was stolen 25th, that means I had to see the car before that. Before
You
he
did?
got killed.
You did. That's why I'm asking. Do you remember?
I'm saying.
This was a pretty significant event, right? Everybody knew about that. It was in the news and everything. So, I mean, I would think you'd know how many days before that happened, you had the car? Because you're telling me now that you already drove the car. Okay, so you already put yourself in the car.
I didn't drove the car. I didn't kill him. I didn't drove the car before. That's all I'm saying.
Okay, who drove the car after you? Who drove the car after you? Since you want to be helpful and you want me to exonerate you and kick you out of this investigation, right? You want me to make it so you're not involved, right? So explain to me who drove the car.
I don't know. I just
So you can ride that shit yourself.
How I'm riding this shit myself?
Because your brother already talked to me, man. You're gonna ride that shit. I already know. Look, man. I knew from the very beginning that the first person I needed to talk to was Amos. I knew that. I knew the first person I needed to talk to was Amos because Amos was the one that was gonna come off shit. And guess what? You were right. You were 100% right. You were right when you said Amos was gonna tell because Amos did. Okay. And here's the thing: the position that you're in now, right, is that if you have no remorse for it and you say fuck it. Right? And you say, I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. That makes you a different type of a person than what it is. Okay? People look at that differently. If somebody says, like if I say to you, right, if you know I've done something and it's wrong, right? If I say something to you and I say, man, I fucked up because I didn't mean for that to happen. Right? If I say that, right, to you and I say, look, I'm sorry. I fucked up. That's a totally different thing than sitting there and saying, I don't care.
Bro, that's not what I'm saying. Like, it's not that, bro. It's like,
Then
I'm not finna go down for something I know I didn't kill. I didn't shoot no guy. I didn't kill that man.
Were you the one driving then?
Huh?
Were you the one driving it?
No, I drove it the night before they did that shit.
Oh, so it was the night before. Okay.
No, that's the day when I seen it. I
Okay,
drove
well,
it.
you said you drove it.
I drove, like, I done seen it. Like, I done drove when I first seen it, and I done drove, like, the night before that shit happened.
Okay, so you drove it the night before. Who was in the car with you when you were driving it?
Shit. The first time when I ever drove, it was just me and
So you drove it more than once because you said the
twice.
first
I
time.
just said that. I just
Okay,
said it
all
twice.
right. I just want to understand. That's all I'm trying to do. When was the first time you drove it?
I don't know the exact day, but I drove with the car before.
Okay. Here's the thing. Okay. If you stole the car, listen,
No.
just listen. I'm not going to ask you to admit anything. Okay. I'm just saying, if that's what happened, right? And then, on the night before this happened, or you got the car from somebody else. Okay. And on the night before this happened, you released that car to somebody else and you said, here, you can have it, or you said, hey, give me 200 and you can have the car. You can keep it or whatever. Or conversely, if Ladarius came to you and said, hey, I got this. And you're like, hey, let me get the car for $200 and you drive the car for a little bit because you're just renting the car. That I can feature, that I can understand because you're already telling me that you drove it, my friend.
Yeah, I
Okay.
drove before. But,
Okay.
but even Kadar could tell you, when I drove it, he was with me.
Yeah. He told me that.
That's what I'm trying to say.
He told me that.
I never.
Kadarius told me a lot of shit. Okay.
I'm saying,
Kadarius didn't just tell me one thing, and neither did he. But see, that's the thing is there's things, when we talk to you, I'm not trying to be rude to you because I don't want to be rude to you. Okay. But I mean, there's things that I already know, right? There's things that I know based on people that have told me. Not only that, right? There's DNA. Okay. Because even if a vehicle gets wiped down with anything or gets cleaned, even so, there's DNA in the vehicle. How do you think I found everybody? How do you think I'm here with you or with him? Do you honestly think that I just said, oh, you know what? I heard about this guy. I heard about this guy, Daquavion. DQ, man. Let's go pick him up. Let's go make him responsible for something. No, it ain't like that, man. There's a chain of reasoning, a chain of things that leads to you, okay? A chain of things that leads to your brother and somebody else, which I already know. I'm not even going to ask you to tell me the name because I already know that stuff. What I'm asking you is, what I do, this guy's gone, right? He's gone.
I understand.
I can't do shit for him, right? The only thing I can do anything for is his mother. That's it, right? Because she's the victim in this. That's the only thing I can do something for, right? So
y'all trying us with this?
I am at this point right now. You're up here for first degree premeditated murder. Okay. So what I'm trying to do, you're telling me that you're not involved in it. Okay. So tell me more about you not being involved in it. Tell me more. Because you're telling me you want me to exonerate you. In other words, you want me to say that you don't have anything to do with this.
I really don't.
Okay. So then
really
in that case, help me explain
That's
that.
why I need a lawyer or something, bro, because I don't know what to tell y'all. I don't know what to tell y'all, bro. I don't fucking do that shit for real.
Well, I mean, that's
I just drove that car before. That's the only reason my name ever came up.
okay, but that point, that is your choice. But when you talk on the phone, okay, when you talk on the phone with people, right, all kinds of people, right, jail calls and everything else. We listen to all that
I
stuff.
don't know.
And I already know that you told people, right, that if Amos got caught, y'all were fucked. You said if Amos got picked up, we're fucked because Amos is going to tell the whole thing, which he did.
I said something like, I know when I talk to EJ, I ain't no talking to EJ. I like, damn, EJ, they going around saying you telling me.
EJ's not the only person you talk to, man. EJ's not the only person. There's bunches of people that you talk to, and here's the thing, okay? People that find out about something where this guy is innocent, because you and I both know, okay? Even if we're talking about this from outside, right?
Yes, sir.
Even if we're talking about this from outside, correct? Right? We look at this guy, right? This guy here. That guy didn't deserve any of that.
I understand.
Well, I mean, you agree because I know your brother was praying on his Facebook page. He was even on his Facebook page. He was saying, "Lord, forgive me for what I've done," and that was right after the murder. Okay, and this is the thing. Okay, he's already atoned for this. He's atoned for it. He said, you know, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm telling you. I showed him a video.
So listen what you're saying. So he said he saw if he forget what he did. What that sound like to y'all?
There was more than one shooter there.
I'm saying.
There's more than one person in the car. There's two cars.
Bro, listen.
We got the car on video. How do you know that?
What I'm saying is, listen what y'all said though. Y'all said if he said like you sorry this and that, you forgive yourself. What does that mean?
That he was there.
No.
He took part in it.
Like that means you always had to pull trigger, bro.
He loves you. Okay, I know we don't say that as men very much, but he loves you. Okay, I mean he loves you and he's worried about you. And I'll tell you when we talked to him, and when we brought this stuff up to him, what he wanted to do is he wanted to say, look, man, I don't want any of this shit on my brother. I don't want any of this shit on my brother. Okay, so now the way that it rides out, you know, if that's the way that it is, then he rides, man. And that's it. And that's for life. Okay. That's for life. Okay. And I don't want to say this the wrong way, but I honestly don't believe that Amos was triggerman. I don't know this. Okay. I don't know this because nobody has told me that. He told me some things about it. Okay. But I don't know that he's saying that because he's trying to save you. Okay. And I don't know why at that point, you know, where he's your younger brother, right?
Exactly.
Why would he want to try?
He's not trying to save me.
Well, he is.
He can't be. If he just told you that,
I didn't think he was saving him. I took it as he was there with him, putting him in the middle of it. So I wouldn't say save. I would say that DQ was probably culpable.
Well, that's the point that he made, is that you were there, you know. But the whole point of that is, right?
Let me say this. If you didn't do nothing, but were there, tell your part.
Tell the part, and then if it was, here's the thing: if you guys were trying to kill Ladarius, I don't understand why. I don't. I swear to God.
I just found out this month because I don't.
And I believe that. I believe that. I don't think this.
Before. We're not saying that.
I'm put it like this.
He wasn't the intended.
I don't think he was. I don't think that was meant. But see, the whole thing with this is, I honestly don't believe that was meant to happen. But you know what? If that's the case, which is kind of what he said, that it was an accident, right? It was an accident. This wasn't something that was meant to happen. It was fucked up. It was an accident. I feel fucking horrible about it. I want to talk to his mother because I want to apologize.
I didn't talk to his dad at all.
You did.
I didn't pull no trigger. I didn't kill your son. I didn't kill your son.
You didn't pull the trigger.
I'm not no trigger man. I didn't pull the trigger.
I believe you. Then tell us the part that you played in it, so I can understand that you're not responsible for that part. If you didn't pull the trigger, cool.
And see what it lines up with Amos, because obviously we gotta know whose story is more accurate. If you know what I mean.
We have to put both of them together, okay? Because what that gives us is it gives us a clearly accurate rendition of what happened, okay? So if you say it one way and he says it the other way, then I can say, look, this is what happened, okay?
Tell us about the dice game.
I wasn't on dice game.
I know you weren't at the dice game, but you were on the corner from the dice game waiting on them to leave. We know that.
That shit, see that's what I'm saying? That shit came with a whole nother nigga. Like, they put us in that shit like that.
Well, I'm asking, you know, the whole thing of it is that, like I said.
Who put y'all in that?
Yeah, who put y'all in it?
I don't know their real name. I just know their street name. I swear to God.
What's the street name?
Blim.
Blim? And what's the other one?
Fucking name. Real, some shit like that.
Was what you tell
You,
was
I
he?
swear to God.
Was he-
you expect believe that horse shit?
Well, let me ask you this. The guys that put you in it, okay? Are they the guys? Because I don't think they were after this guy.
Didn't you say it was 2 cars?
What's that?
Didn't y'all say it was 2 cars following his car?
I don't know. Did you say that? I don't remember saying.
I just said, yo, like, you got the video of the car. It was 2 cars.
Well,
That's what I just
the
said.
whole thing of that is that that's where we got that from. Across the street here, from your brother. Okay. So we know this car, right?
Yeah.
We know this car.
Tell us from the time that y'all got to the dice game. I know you weren't inside the dice game because we already identified everybody.
This car, we got this car, and it's already on video outside the dice game on the street.
And that tag, we got all that shit. That tag is in the backyard of Dummy's house
And
that
the
you
key-
said that you're staying at. He said you live with him. So let's not play the dumb shit.
I mean, and the keys are in the house. The keys for that car are in the house. So, and that's what I'm asking you is. You say that they put you in this, right? They put you.
They put me in.
Well, then explain to me
How did
why.
they put you?
But at the end of the day, I can't say it like.
I mean, why
How
did
did they
I
put
didn't
you
kill
in?
him.
How did they put you in?
they were they after him?
No.
Well, then who was it they were trying to get? Because I already know.
KD.
KD.
Team.
Okay, so
Why?
was there a reason for it?
I don't know.
Because I know he's got bands on his head. Okay, and I know. Listen to me when I say this. I don't like Katie.
I'm gonna keep that shit Jewish. I don't want to keep it Jewish since y'all so called them. I just drove the car.
You just drove it.
I just drove the car.
Okay.
I swear to God. But at that, I'm gonna keep.
Wait, stop. I don't mean to interrupt you, but let's slow it down a little bit. You drove the black car.
I drove the black car.
Okay, so
Who was in your car?
You just said it.
I understand that, but it comes from you, not.
You remember how we said we have
We got to
compare?
verify what story
My
comes.
brother.
Okay.
The
Amos,
homeboy.
And a
My
homeboy.
friend. Yeah.
Okay.
what's
so
his
there,
initial? What's his nickname?
because we are. I'm telling you, I already
Right,
got this,
no.
and it's what he already told us.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
Yep.
Who is it then? What's the whole initials?
No, you just said.
We know
You
it.
just said
You gotta say it.
He said it already too.
I'm gonna put it like that. Shit.
Okay. So
Hold on. For you to come out, be all the way honest, be all the way honest.
I'm telling you.
We know the initials.
Okay. I just seen a picture on there. I don't know. Y'all know what's going on. But
how long have you known Kay?
that's my cousin too.
That's your cousin?
We got
So you know him for a long time? Okay, so is this your cousin? That's your cousin? I mean, he's dreads are a little different. That's your cousin? Okay, so that's who was in the car with you.
Is that KJ?
That's what your
And
brother
we're
was.
talking about Kobe Jenkins, right?
Okay.
So obviously we know what we're talking about, or you wouldn't
Like
be
the
here.
end of the day, shit before they forced me on.
Tell me who, so I can go that way.
They all that. They forced me on that. They told me come. They're like, "But we need you to drive." That's it. I never knew who was in the
You didn't
car.
know who was in it.
No.
What about the
When you're going under, just so you know, when I see you going under the bridge, it looked like you bumped it a little bit. Did you bump him a little bit? Didn't hit him at all?
Negative.
Okay.
Who put the fire out when
I mean, who was in the back
I'll
seat?
drive, man.
I mean, who was in the back seat?
Oh, brother.
Okay. And who was in the front seat? KJ? Okay. Now, you remember how we talked about that second car? Because I already knew about that second car. All right. Who was in the second car?
I just told you. I don't only know the name.
Blim and Drill?
Who?
That's what you just said. Blim and Drill.
No, I said Blim and Rail.
Rail?
Blim and Rel?
Yeah.
How do you know them?
Because that's not the names. That's not the names he gave. He gave different names. So that's
What
why.
he said.
Well, if I tell you, then you'll know. And I would rather have
Yeah,
you.
he may know that. I'm not even. I just got this shit.
Okay.
For what?
I beat an aggravated assault and I had a flint wound.
Let me just give you a piece of advice. Thank you. I've been a cop for 23 years. I've been up in investigations for 11. You're at a point in your life to where, yeah, you're going to do some time, but how much time that you're going to do is going to be dependent on you. Either you're all in or you're all out.
We told your brother the same thing.
So if you want to get right, you want to show remorse, you want to talk about it, then talk about it, brother. If you don't, we'll walk out the door. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, your brother has been honest, and we're trying. We're
You're
trying
in the
to.
driver's seat. So if you want to get right with the man. Let's talk about it. Let's not beat around the bush.
I already told y'all what's up. I just told y'all I basically drove the car.
Okay.
That's my part of it. I
Okay.
guess.
Settle down. Settle down. Who called to say that that they were at the dice game, that KD was supposed to be there? KJ?
Somebody else?
That's the name I just gave you, bro.
Oh, Glim. A Rel call.
Real.
Rel call.
Timmy, I think his real name Timmy.
Timmy?
Timmy. Okay.
Was he at the dice game?
I don't know.
Who did he call?
He called you.
He called me. Like, hey boy, I got the boys this and that. I got to drop them this and that.
Now you said that they made you, correct?
Like, cause I was like, nah, bitch, hell, no, I ain't going. Like, they came from, like, I had this car, like, LD parked this, when I got this car from LD, we parked there, pretty soon, in some of the neighborhood. We parked in the neighborhood. Feel me?
Yeah. I mean, I got the video of you parked there.
So, shit. They came and got me. Like,
Who?
them. Like,
Your brother and
no.
these two.
Came and got me, like, shit.
Picked you up and like,
Took me to the car. Shit. They got in the car first. I'm like, nah, bitch. I got a bad feeling about this shit, bro. They like, shit, bitch. Well, he's doing the drive, bitch. Just drive. Just drive. Just start. Just drive. Well, if not, shit. My brother in the car. Like, shit. They on the side of the road.
sat on the side of the road waiting for him
I'm
to
saying, like, at that, I didn't even know. Like, alright, when we played by him, when we played by bro up here, he was on this side of the road. He got open. I get up. When I get by him, I tell him, I look over, cause he, like, you can tell, like, when I look over at the car, like, before I ain't had a bad feeling about shit. So when I first stomp off, shit, they started shooting.
Then what happened?
What up? He died, shit. Like,
And these, and the second car, that came up there, you said that was with these two?
yeah, and they supposedly supposed to came and got us, but left us with that.
Where did you go with the car after you left the scene?
I ain't even, oh yeah. See, I ended up getting, I gave it away. And they parked. I gave it them. They parked away on Beulah or some shit like that. See, I ain't trust them. Like, they'll tell me about some of my Beulah. Like, but y'all got these big ass guns, but I don't trust y'all, bro.
How did they call you? They call you by phone, Facebook, or Snap?
I don't know.
You still got the same phone you had that time?
I don't know my phone now.
Is it at the house?
Mm-mm.
Where is it?
It's in my car.
Where's your car?
Shit, my people probably got it by now.
Is it that black car that you've been driving?
That Malibu?
No. What about that? Weren't you in a Dodge too? Driving a Dodge, like a Charger or something like that?
What?
No. Okay. So when you guys got called, you were over by Eris, or where were you? When you got called, where were you?
I don't know.
You don't remember where you were? Okay. Across town somewhere, or what?
Like, I'm on pills right now. I really like I'm just like.
Well, that's why I'm asking.
Feel on the influence. Like, that's why I was saying, like, I really don't feel comfortable answering questions. Like, I really don't know for real. Like, I feel like if I was sober now, I could have told you, like, he probably told you what you want to hear. But I'm on the influence. I'm on pills. Pills and some shit.
Do you feel bad about what you did?
I didn't do nothing.
Well, I mean, driving. Do you feel bad about that you were driving when that happened? Do you feel bad about that he died for no reason? Because, I mean, you told me they were trying to get KD. But do you feel bad about it?
Yeah, but shit.
Let me ask you this. Why does everybody not like KD so much?
I don't know.
Why does he got this price on sale?
I don't know.
I mean, obviously you gotta know because they called you and said, hey, we got this fucker over here at the dice game. Let's go knock him off. I mean, obviously.
I told you, like, I wasn't gonna go. I wasn't gonna go. They're like, bro, come on, bro, tighten up, bro. It's like,
Whose idea was it? Amos?
no, theirs.
KJ?
They bought that shit for our attention.
I
Give me a real.
But
They bought it
three
for our
y'all,
attention.
I understand DQ, but when there's three of y'all inside the car, I mean, obviously there's got to be like a little bit of somebody's got to take the lead, right?
I ain't gonna draw. That's it. Shit. And then not just that. Shit, I'm driving, but hell, I even passed by the cop. I like the whole plan was to let them know when I got on the side of the cop. I never even said it now, I swear to God.
When they just start shooting?
They just started shooting. I ain't say, hey baby, right here. Why? 'Cause shit.
Did you?
I had a bad feeling about this shit the whole time. That's why I never said, hey baby, there you go right here. I was gonna play, make it seem like shit. Man, that ain't it. I was gonna leap like really go past, but shit, they ain't going like that.
Remember I asked you?
One thing I know, bro, you can't shoot and drive at the same time. Bro.
That's a fact. Let me ask you something. You said you felt bad about it, right?
Yeah, but shit.
You remember when I talked to you at the very beginning of it about his mother, about Ladarius's mother? To give her peace, could you write her a thing that says what happened and that you're sorry? Just so I can give that to her and say, look, this is what happened. He's very sorry. He was driving. He didn't mean for it to happen. You think you could do that for her?
Man, that's your cousin.
I mean, regardless if I'm still going to jail.
What's that?
I already know if I go to jail.
Well, it's not that. It's for his mother. It's because
I already talked to her. I'll tell her.
tell her in person.
Okay. About on the phone. It'd probably go a long way with her.
Yeah, but her, like, I'm still in the fucked up situation, bro.
Well, I see you are, but you've been just like your brother. You've been honest, and I think that goes a long way towards salvation, right? Right. To me, it does. It goes a long way towards salvation.
Oh, Lord.
Okay. All right. You gotta go to the bathroom.
But not just that, yeah. Well, I've been saying I need a lawyer the whole time, though. Y'all still pushing me.
You need to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, you heard what I said, though? I said,
I heard what you said.
I've been saying I need a lawyer. Y'all still pushing me. Oh,
You go to the bathroom, brother?
mm-hmm.
Stand up for me. Yeah,
Hey, y'all ain't no problem on shirt?
no, man. Nobody would tell us which room was yours. Take your off, all the gentlemen over there, okay? Take your glasses.
Shit. Oh, fuck, man.
Next time we'll get you a suit, or see if we can find you one.
Oh, geez.
Remote. We'll take a full pair off, Alex.
Pretty cool.
Get that. I see you in there. It's all centralized.
Hey, y'all don't have no cigarette shit, do it.
Cigarettes?
Yeah.
I think we might. I'll check up on you. Find your seat first, okay?
You open up this money?
Huh?
You open up this
21.
Huh?
21.
That's right. They changed that.
Sure.
Hey! 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 What you need, man? Let's go.
Huh? No, you're good.
We're gonna move that in the hallway. Hallway?
Yeah.
Y'all didn't know on the switch things?
I'm looking for one.
I wasn't looking for one, so I don't know what they're looking for.
Again, I would just probably only echo what has already been said about Mr. LD, Mr. Clardy. He was a great young man in his community. He was a part of the Omega Lamplighters program. He has done such a great job out on the field as well as in his community. So if you know anything that has happened, please contact the Crime Stoppers hotline or even call the Escambia County Sheriff's Office. I want to commend the sheriff for doing a great job with putting the resources out on the street to make sure that we're getting this information. And also want to thank the media for y'all being here today to put this information out. So if you have any information out there regarding this crime, please contact the Escambia County Sheriff's Office. Let's put this person where they need to be. Let's work as a community and let's bring some solace to this family. Again, Pastor, I thank you for coming out. We continue to pray for you. And again, let's do the right thing. Let's turn them in.
I think it's important. I've given you some information that we need from an investigative standpoint, but I think it's important to also understand that this is a young man that had friends. This is a young man that already had an impact in our community, and he was well on his way to having a community an impact in other communities as well. We want to know what he was doing that night, who he was with. But we are looking for a motive. I can't tell you exactly where we are in that investigation regarding the motive, but I can tell you that we need more information. We will solve this case. We will find the individual, the coward, that drove by and shot into the car over 50 times and killed one of our children, and he seriously injured another. We will find him, and you can help. I can't imagine someone having information and then laying down tonight knowing you had the key, that you had that piece of information. Perhaps you didn't know LD. Perhaps you've never had a knock on your door saying that your son won't come home. Perhaps you never visited a crime scene. Perhaps you weren't there when the mother is grieving with every breath. If you were, you wouldn't sit on that information. You'd let us know what you know. We have to come together as a community. We say this all the time. Now is the time. Enough is enough. And with that, I'll take any questions that I can answer. Yes, sir.
Do you know where the two victims were coming from at all? Do you have any persons of interest?
We do have information as to where they were. I can tell you that Ladarius had just been in town for a couple of hours. He plays ball at Kennesaw State, and he had just come to town a couple of hours before this, and he was with a friend of his. And I can tell you that we have information, but it's in pieces. And that's why we're asking for any information to maybe put those pieces together, and then perhaps we can develop the motive that will help us to make an arrest and to solve this case. Any other questions?
Can you tell us into the condition of that second victim?
All I know, the last I've heard, that he was in surgery, but I don't have any more information. Obviously, as that victim improves, we will have investigators there to try to talk to him and get the information, the best information that we can get from him. But we want to know what the community knows. We know someone has information. We've been working with people at the school. We've been working with people in the neighborhoods. We have been talking amongst ourselves all day long. We all have pieces of information, but that's not enough yet to make an arrest. We will ultimately get enough information, but we want to know what everyone else knows. All right. And with that, I want to say thank you all for being here. As Ladarius said, it's important for the media to cover this and not to just blow right by this, because this is one of our children. So thank you all very much.
Yo!
Junior, man.
Nah, boo-boo.
Yo, what?
Nah, doodle, ain't no sense. That's about it.
You gonna have to wait just a second. I can't take it by myself. I can find somebody.
Oh.
You ready? Stand up for him.
Told you, just had to find somebody.
Shit,
I don't know. Like I told you the first time I talked to you, I'm not your guy.
that's fun. Shit, they gonna tell me gonna get me something to put on for the laundry, bro.
We ain't got nothing to give you. I looked when you asked me earlier. I don't have anything up here.
Are they still talking to people?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's not the problem. I thought I see the ball to put that on. I just put two and two together. I was like, y'all, y'all knew what was going on.
Who was that? Was that Rel and Blim?
Yeah, really, Timmy. That is really my thing. Crazy. LD.
How long we had those?
No.
Ain't no damn telling. Like I said, don't none of those smoke, so that's just something we pulled out of somebody's pocket, tossed in the drawer or something.
Someone down good. Ain't lying. I could have left though.
The what?
I could have left.
Left where?
Trailer. Cause before y'all came, another crew had already came out there. But I think they went to the wrong house. They went across the street and they went to their house and shit. Well, I was watching that today. Right, literally right across the street from us. Like, I'm watching their go in their house. Shit. You need to not worry about it. Shit, I know I ain't did shit. Right. The only thing I did, I already told him, like, shit, the only thing I did was drive the car, man. Yeah. Shit, LD, I got a car from you. Like, y'all doing all this and that, but shit, y'all gave us the car, man. I got a car from you. That's all I did, probably. So, yeah.
Yeah, from Quaterius, from LD.
Yeah. That's why I take it on. Like, when he'll saying, like, my little brother trying to take over me. Yeah, no, he ain't taking over me. Taking over his goddamn self shit, cause one thing I know for sure, bro, you can't drive and shoot, bro. Especially if you got somebody in the passenger seat, bro. That would have backfired. That was stupid. Shit, that's so crazy. My brothers they got more smart. That's more with.
That's the only two people that were in the car with you was Amos and KJ.
How y'all know about Kendrick? Okay. How y'all know about Kendrick? Amos. Alright, bro. What's going on? He real, bro.
You want to try on the rebels?
Yeah.
I'll talk to this stuff. So
Oh, God.
It's a cowboy killer.
God damn, that's a 100. That's not much long. We're gonna be here all day. You smoke that motherfucker.
I really went nowhere. Then I heard the boy Eric who got shot too. I heard he had said yeah, he was like an ugly man walked up to the car. Like last thing he seen was an ugly man before he blacked out. But that was at the car. We ain't never get out and walk to the car. I didn't know it was more people. 50 shots, bro. They said that man got hit on 50 times.
You didn't hear 50 shots coming from your car?
Yeah.
How many times do you think they shot from your car?
Shit, they started shooting. I sped up.
Where'd you go when after y'all passed Hollywood, after y'all passed LD's car? You go all the way up the Mogo Highway?
You want to
You took the spur? Where'd you go? Jacqueline? Back to Jacqueline or where? I don't remember where he went.
I took Senate this morning.
Huh?
I took Senate boy this morning. Like, I'm not in the room where this shit. I fuck around and go to sleep for real. Like, I go to sleep, I went in here, I just probably just wake up in there. Like, what the fuck?
Where'd y'all start off at? Where'd they wake you up at? Where'd y'all leave from?
What you mean?
Like before, like when whoever got the phone call, where'd y'all leave?
They kept trying to tell me go get the cop. Get in the car, get the car, get the cop.
Where were you at when they were telling you that?
Yeah. I know I'm homeboy.
And one of your homeboys?
I'm like, yeah, nah, man. I ain't doing it. I give y'all that bitch. Like, I like, bitch, I got keys in there. You got keys in the bitch. Like, y'all get up there. Like, shit. It went from that to we ended up putting up out there. So what the car was, shit. One time I remember, like, nigga, like, one time I see a big ass gun. Like nugget on that bitch. Like, drawn. I think that's a 50 round drawn. See you on them bitches. Automatic, like, the way they talking, like, the way they moving, like, shit, I don't know if y'all will do something to me. Feel me? So they like, bitch, we need you to drive, bitch. You gotta drive this bitch. I'm like,
Who had to go with the drum on?
shit. Nigga Blim.
Bloom?
Yeah, they ain't never get out. Brother ain't get out yet. Brother was in a rental car. Like a blue car. SUV type shit. He supposed to pick that up, but he left for me. That's how I knew it was like, that's how damn when they ended up coming up with a dice game and all that shit. Yo, these going find out. Hit him with dice game. Just did foul ass shit. Just took a nigga down with you, like. You. Y'all ain't even around this bitch. I ain't been spraying around this bitch for a little minute now. I wasn't tripping, like I knew it. I kind of already knew what was going when it came together. Like, they keep that bitch in like that. Right after they caught that D, man, I just talked to the man daddy. Man daddy just said, like, yo, shit. First, they were saying my brother to shoot. Shit. They went from my brother to shoot to now, they went to me. So, boom. That's when I came over. I told my auntie, like, the other day, I was like, man, I'm trying to go and get me a little lawyer. Like, I'll go up on my damn self, talk to them folks before they even, like, go on me for questions and shit. I go talk to them myself, I know for a fact, bro. I ain't care that, man. I like, bro. Fool, man, I just drove up, bro. I see. Drove that, bro.
And I heard a little bit. They thought it was KD in the court.
That's what they said from the go. KD. You know, KD got something to do with what's called getting killed. Keamos.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Why did they think KD was going to be there?
They called like, so I guess somebody they called like, shit. This how I caught on to. Like, I caught on afterward. Like, everything was said and done. There was the bullshit. First they called and said, he called me like, hey, but I got some shit to the raw. Like, I need to lay this bit down for me. I tell him straight up, I like, they don't do shit like that, but I like, what's the wrong, bro? They're like, all right, cause I love you, this and that, we'll do it. Boom, later on that night. They're like, shit, hey, bro. So he said, yeah, like, hey, bro. Got a drop key right now. Bitch, turn up. I'm like, yeah. I'm like, but I ain't even in the company. Like, heck it, I paid like 34 minutes.
Go ahead.
You what for 34 minutes? You're yawning when you said it.
I said, I wasted time.
We're outside the building. Smoke.
Oh.
Not what you mean. Smoke. Oh, no, we ain't.
How was it that they found out where he was going to be?
Back inside. Was the interview room ready for him yet?
I don't know.
Hey, let me let you go. Gilmore's calling me.
Like, they took us over there. Like,
They? Who's they?
Yes, sir.
see me in the room.
We're out here beside the building, over here where we're like the attack officers, letting them smoke. Yeah. All right, 10-5. All right, 10-5.
What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
I was just seeing if they were ready for you back upstairs. They said no. So
You followed Tim and Rel over there? What you said? They led you over there?
I let boy Blair drive us there.
Okay.
Right. So he like when he showed us where it was, he showed us what it was and it was cutting off. He was like, yeah. He like they in the black Honda. He in the black Honda with blue.
What'd y'all do when y'all got over
go
there?
ahead, bring the food down here. We're gonna be down here a little while longer.
I said, shit, I was just sitting.
We're down here.
Did y'all like drive around or what?
Right, we like a couple times. Like, well, he just
Y'all like just parked nearby?
yeah. He parked everybody. See,
Where?
we ended up switching seats.
Where'd y'all split seats?
Like down the road or something. He got back in the car with his brother. So he got in the car with his brother. That's how they end up like following us.
So y'all followed them once they left that cut?
But I was so this how I want to lose them. Like I want them to lose us. Like you feel me? I let them pull out first. What? Shit. When I got
What were y'all supposed to do? You said, was there something else you were going to do, but you just thought you were going to try to let them go?
my whole idea is let them go the whole time. Really trying to pay them.
Yeah, stand up for me real quick. I'm gonna put this up so we get that.
So, I'm trying to let them go the whole time.
Uh-huh.
So when they pull out, I wait. I like I ain't seen them. So shit, people in my car they like tighten up and hurry up. Then you go right up.
What were you supposed to do though?
Both pull it off like
Like head them off? Like cut them off when they were coming out?
like it's like I really don't know. I don't know.
I see.
Like shit, I just know like they were like, well, yeah, cut them off. No, they're like follow. No. The player just said like they wasn't telling me shit like really like so like in my head I'm like man I got a bad feeling like this shit. I got a bad feeling. Like, knowing that feeling is like so I'm just sitting in the car. I'm like I watched the car pull out.
Watch LD's car pull out.
Yeah, so the car pulled out, I dropped my head like I ain't see it. They go to tap, better hurry up, let go. There you go right now. But they head is KD.
They thought it was KD. Yeah.
And I go, big go. So shit, we go to go. He turn on W Street. I let him get way ahead of me, like I get stuck at the light. type shit. You're like, bro, go. Like, so shit. Go through the light. That's when he was on the other side, the left side of the road, and then he ended up getting on the right. But when he got on the right side, I got on the left side. But shit, they went to squatting in the car. Like they let out the window, they went squatting down, let down our window. So I was like, damn, dog. So all the time, I'm like, low key, I'm just scared as fuck. I'm really scared. I'm like, man, just looking at them, I'm like, shit.
Shit, realize it too, you know. Like on 3 pieces. You're good. I'll get some when I go back there. I mean, there's like 20 fucking bucks. Yeah. They do, but for sure.
So I went from that to.
See, I'll pull up on
this
the
piece
side.
of cheese pizza, dark waving?
I don't eat cheese.
You sure, man? That's what.
Positive.
Lactose tolerant. Just don't like cheese.
I don't eat cheese up in there.
Yeah. So y'all pulled up alongside of them, or they had to?
Like, they telling me pull up on the side of him. But I got him in the distance, like, to the point he waved up ahead of me, like, but the light for the turn, like, the light was turning green. I mean, red. So we going, like, basically, like, so basically, while they squatted down, they ain't saying nothing. Feel me? I'm like, they're like, damn, bitch, what taking so long, bitch? Where you at? They didn't say nothing. So they looked up for themselves and seen the car. So they went shoot. But
Who's that?
people in my car, but the thing about the shit, I think, how can I put it? People behind me were shooting first, I think. They wasn't shooting in the back of the car first.
That was Glenn and Rail.
They were in another car?
They're in that blue rental SUV, you said? Now, I don't know any of them boys' names upstairs, but ain't none of them Glimmer Rail. Brother, wow, they're talking about how he fucked 4 bitches last night.
Oh, I did it too.
You did? Not the same ones.
We fought 2 of the same bitches.
Dude, you didn't cross swords, did you?
Huh?
You didn't cross swords, did you?
What you mean?
You know, if you hit one, then you hit the same girl?
Shit, we were fucking right next to each other. We were fucking up.
Oh, man.
That girl upstairs?
Yeah.
One with the pierced titties. Hey. One on one end and one on the other. Oh, take it back.
What time is it?
Let's see, 1:30.
30. I thought tell my sister. I'm gonna get my sister phone with her.
Yeah, what? I just love her. Oh no.
I know in Nick like y'all want the shooters, but shit, by Nick y'all want everybody. I already know.
No, we want the shooters.
Yeah.
Shooters. I still want to get punished if God, but I don't know. Oh, he came in out here like his brother trying to say it. Oh yeah, shit, he can't be saying me. I know what I did. I ain't do shit. Like, bitch. If it wasn't for y'all, I would have never gotten that car.
Hey, why'd you look at that? These are my old cigarettes.
Yeah,
That's your old cigarette?
Yeah.
There you go.
They ain't got no fresh one.
No, that's as best as they do, man. Listen, I quit smoking
I need to go get a pack
a year and a half ago.
That what we have.
I mean, they were sealed. But,
Bring another one in.
you know. Oh.
I ain't no saying Eddie and EJ, they got to try with the car.
Oh, come on.
You want another smoke, Will?
Said
You might as well, man. You know what?
you said KD and EJ?
No, LD and EJ.
LD and EJ. Sorry.
Very bad.
But there's
Yeah.
See, they got to try with the car.
Mm-hmm.
But shit, that shit got them high risk in the county. Like they on the 4th floor, the red jumpsuit. That's what I just was.
Yeah. Well, they got charged with stealing the car.
I know it.
They just LD gave it to you.
Huh?
Did he sell it to you? Or just give it to you. You said, well, LD, right?
Yeah.
With Kadaris?
That's what they call it. LD.
Yeah. That's how you got it?
Yeah, I got it from him.
Yeah.
I ain't buy shit.
Oh, no, he just gave it to you. That's what I said. Let you borrow it?
No, it's just shit. He gave it to me one day.
Alright.
Don't hit that right door. Don't open.
I noticed.
What, you reporting me?
No. Let's hold on to it. In case they text me.
We don't record shit outside the rooms. What you say right here is between us.
So what they gonna give me a sensor or some shit?
What's that?
They gonna give me a sensor or some shit?
They're going to talk about it upstairs. The state attorney's here. So they'll put their 2 cents in and everything else. But, well, I mean, you'll probably get something like that. So, have a lot better than damn principal first degree murder charge, though, ain't it? Especially if you ain't do nothing.
Yeah. I get about 10 years driving that car.
Nah, I've seen people get less.
But I ain't gonna lie though. He low-key kind of fucked the question shit up too though. Cause I do know my law. I do know the rights and shit. Like I asked for a lawyer before he went to question and he still questioned me. Shit. That's out of my commandments. Right. And I told him I'm under the influence. Right. All right.
Well, the good thing is you told your side of the story, you know. I mean, with your brother and everybody else talking, you know.
I knew it was gonna go like that anyway.
You know, you
he never been in trouble. I knew it bro. I know how this shit gonna go. Like that was I was surprised when y'all heard y'all said when I said on the phone the first one.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's the thing, man. Don't ever, you know. I was telling my girlfriend this the other day about how like the only person that can keep a secret is yourself. You know, like you do something with somebody else, you gotta worry about them having a big mouth and talking and everything else. So, you know, when it comes to this point, you just gotta tell your side of it because they're gonna tell their side of it. And I promise you, they're gonna make themselves look good and make you look bad. You know.
Only I feel like they're worried like that because bro, they grabbed me first quarter like. I was the first one they snapped up. Well, not really. Everybody came out the house, but I was the first one. Like they bought up with them. Like they took me off scene first quarter.
Yeah, your brother was the first one up here.
No, I was.
Were you?
Yeah. Snowden, Daquavion. They bought me first.
No, your brother was up here first.
No, he was up here
Oh, he
first.
won.
Yeah.
I watched him come.
No, because you got in the car, right?
No, I got in the van. I was the first one here.
I know that.
I thought you. No, you were in the van.
Yeah.
No, because the first one to come here was in an actual sheriff's car. Because I took the sheriff's car back and I talked to you on the way out. Remember, I stopped.
Yeah, I talked to you when I was out there, and they'd already transported your brother.
But when you were walking by, I said, I guess they don't need me to go back there anymore. And they said they got to go grab some more.
Yeah.
Because I was in that car.
He was already there.
Yeah, he was already there.
Yeah, and they've been talking to him all morning until they came in there and talked to you.
Yeah, I was like, damn, what's taking so long? Like, yeah, think about it. Like, cause look, like,
I was supposed to go back and get you, but that's why I was asking them because they had you in that van.
Look, you remember, like when y'all first got EJ. So that's what I'm saying. I told you, we've been talking to the daddy, the one who died, daddy, LD.
With Big Ladarius?
We've been talking to him. That's our cousin. So he came. Yeah, he told my auntie like, shit, it's true. Your nephew was in the car. But at first, he had like mixed up. First, he went to saying, first, he like, Amos the shooter. And then at first, I was in the car. They put me in the car. Then they took me out the car. Like, so like, I went in it. I wasn't in it no more. Then like a little bit came down.
Are those double locked?
Apparently not.
Yeah, you can remember my swim seriously. That way they don't lock up on me. I'm sorry. Keep going.
Then after that shit, got down. It went from like a couple days later.
Shit. Damn, trying to bring yourself. God damn it. One thing you did, damn it.
He went from that to goddamn. He went from that to they
You
saying
remind me of that investigator from Preston.
Better watch your goddamn fucking mouth right now.
he went.
He's so dramatic and like his like little arm movements like a T-Rex.
Yeah,
What we saying though?
he went from that to they were saying. They were saying my brother wasn't the shooter no more. They stopped saying my brother was the shooter. Cause I ain't gonna lie, when I first heard like they said my brother the shooter, like I know how serious this is, man. Like you feel me? This shit, like my daddy got a license. My little brother just caught a murder charge. You feel me? Damn, that's the whole family. Here go
Talking about Jesse.
Jesse.
We worked that one also.
That my baby
Jesse
brother.
Snowden. Yeah.
One of them out
Yeah,
here.
backwoods shots.
Huh?
Yeah, that my baby brother.
Yeah.
But one of them out. The boy Jay, he out.
Which one was that? Is that the little tiny one?
There's 4.
There's 4 of them. That's
Yeah, but one of them name is Henderson. Last name Henderson, I think. Jabbar, something. He out, but he out on bond. I think he just got an attempted homicide or something. But
I'm wondering,
even the justice situation, shit. I heard how his shit went. I heard he didn't even shoot. Like I heard it was like camera with the flat, like they seen like a red beam or some shit like. But I heard no gun residue, none of that on him. But shit.
if I'm not mistaken, your brother was the one that set it all up.
Yeah, that's why they got him from his phone.
Well, I was the first one on scene that night because I was working the side
What
job.
one was that?
That's the one over there in the trailer park getting on mass.
Yeah, I was in jail then.
You were in jail then?
I just got out this year.
Where'd you park?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I can wait the fuck out on the other side.
All right. Just remind me before we leave today. So I get my
I know. I'll get it to you. I know how to find it.
I forget how. Sometimes I'll wait, and then 3 months later, I'm like, oh, new web.
Yeah. So they're like, I ain't gonna lie, we been with y'all come though. We could like I just said, I could have like no cap. I could have left early this morning. Like I was up. I told you I just watched another unit go like some undercover go across the street. We thought they was coming over there. Shit, we could have. Me and him, my brother was the only one out there. We could have left. I could have pulled off. But shit, I'm like, man, the fuck we running for, man? I like, man, like eventually they gonna come regardless, man. Like we always in there like I knew it was eating him up though, cause some factor like when we passed by, yeah, I was like drop his head and go to praying, like feel me?
Oh, Amos?
Uh-huh.
You religious? You go to church?
Christian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go grab me another piece of pizza. You want some stuff? You don't need pizza, do you?
No, he'll be shit for fucking words.
Poop too hard, I'll throw my back
It
out.
ain't healthy, so he won't eat it.
I do want some though, but I'm just gonna get it later.
You want some?
Yeah, I'll get it when we go back up. I'm being difficult. Hey,
Sarge? Fun days.
Man, no, I heard shit. I heard shit getting longer than the motherfucker that killed him.
no, how about good?
Oh, shit. Man, same time. Shit.
There ain't no point in coming down and say you didn't do it. So I get what you're saying.
Huh?
Talking about you didn't have nothing.
Nah, cause he low key fucked me up when he came down here like first degree murder.
Mm-hmm.
Like shit. Ain't no way you can try me with killing nobody, bro.
Well, that's why it's important that you get your side of the story out there.
Cause for hell no. That's why I said a little bit first. Like, I didn't even say a little bit. Like when you asked me, I answered them questions first. Now like, bro, I don't know. I really don't feel comfortable. I really need a lawyer here with me. He continue. Oh God, he continue the question. That's why I made sure I tell him. If I told him before he left, I was like shit. That goes to show my commandments don't mean nothing. Like my rights, my comfort. What's called
Miranda?
no my what's called rights.
Miranda.
They say like Right, man, it's solid. Okay, I did speak, but at the same time, I still also asked for a lawyer before it started right then and now. Then you ended up telling me about a first degree murder. I know you can't try me no first degree murder because I didn't shoot no gun. I don't even own a gun. Right.
You don't got that
No.
gun to shoot again.
Yeah, shit, I didn't have one in my possession. Shit, you go get gun residue on me right now. I guarantee you right now. No for a shot of them. Don't even play with guns.
You ever held one?
Of course. I just call it aggravated assault. That's what
You
me.
say you don't play with guns then.
That's what I'm saying. Ever since I've been out, I don't play with guns. Like, I'm a felon now. I can't have no gun.
That's plenty of people that ain't stopped.
Shit, I ain't like everybody.
I know.
It don't take that man. Like, I only got bumped my head once. I figured out. Yeah, I only went to jail twice. Like, 2 times over. Fleeing one.
Fleeing?
Yeah. But shit, with that shit,
Just did time on it?
Yeah, I did 7 months, but I could have beat him. I know the law, bro. I just ready to get out. Like, and I already had like 4 months built up on it. But shit, they gave me 7, so I did 2 more. But shit, I look at that shit, all right. Bro, like, that's even with this shit. Like, I know for a fact I can low key go to court and come out with a good outcome off this shit here. Cause stuff after, bro, the shit gotta be, you gotta prove this shit. You gotta prove this shit. Even though I said I was driving, bro, like, y'all can't use no witness in the case but my brother. Y'all can't use nobody else but with us, you feel me? Like, but I didn't admit to driving, okay. But that's it. That's all I did. That's why I don't really care. Like, wow, I'll take them 10 knowing I drove it or whatever. But hell, the way I ain't gotta go, shit, I love that too. Self-factor, you feel me? Like, I was forced, low key. Shit, I don't know what you would have did to me. What if I told you, no, baby, you trying to kill that man? I don't know what you on. She might kill me. Or you on his team. You playing both sides. That's how shit go out here, man. Tell her, I was fighting over there every other day, bro. Like, guilty by association just come from a different side of town.
Oh. Who'd you have to fight?
900, bro, gang.
Who? Which one? Shit, bro. Half of them are in jail.
Shit, half of them out too. You know, Ladarius beat the murder.
Lil Dell's out still. Who else is out?
One finna get out. Black boy, he finna get out.
What about Yayo? What does he cash for, bro?
Yeah, that's my nigga.
Yes.
Yeah, that's my nigga. I love him.
Who else is out still? Oh, Seven's still out, isn't he?
Who?
Seven. They call him Seven now, but he used to be shit. Man. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No, it's because he shot a couple times.
Yeah.
He just got shot out 20
He like calls himself like Seven now on
BGM 7.
Yeah. Him and he used to call himself Munchie, now he changed his name too.
Oh, talking about Trip?
Yeah.
See, with Man don't think about him. We beef with him though. Well, he beef with my cousin, KJ.
What?
The one KJ? Yeah, him and KJ.
Kobe?
Yeah.
Well, they beefing over same shit?
Street shit, really. But I was in jail. I can't really tell you. Like, shit, I got out all this shit.
They still doing like that rap beef stuff?
Yeah, they do that shit all the time. That's how Frozen really died.
They've been posting that shit back and forth here recently.
Exactly.
Their new shit they've been dropping.
That goes so y'all be on Facebook.
Huh?
Y'all be on Facebook.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube, man.
Yes, that's on YouTube.
I'm saying, but shit, they were posted on Facebook. You gotta get on Facebook before you hit it. They shared it on Facebook before they put it on YouTube. Well, they put it on YouTube, but they shared it on Facebook.
Yeah. There we go. Get some nice shade.
A pasty fucking what?
You rap?
Yeah, I got a couple songs.
What you got? You on YouTube?
No, I don't put my shit. I got unreleased music.
Oh, underground.
Type shit.
How many songs you got?
Like 10.
10?
No, hell no. I got a lot of shit wrote. I ain't dropped. I got shit I recorded. I got over 15 songs recorded. Well, I just ain't dropped none. I got songs I be going to musician, AJ. Or I go to on food too. Cause you feel like I think smart. Yeah, I know y'all be. I know these folks be with them. So I go over there.
Yeah.
When I know it ain't working. Feel me?
You make your own beats?
I'll buy a beat.
Buy 'em?
I stand up.
Where do you get them from?
For beats.
How do you do that? Yeah.
Like the people, the studio people, whoever.
Oh, so the same
Buy
people that
from them.
record it for you, they already have it.
Yeah, but you know they like producers.
Yeah.
But yeah, I kind of figured they're gonna come though. I said, no cap, I literally said y'all gonna come today. Like, I swear to God, I literally just said that. I was like, bro, no cap, man. They probably just went to the wrong address. They gonna come back. I literally just told him that today. I'm getting on this shit, man. I'm off.
Sure. Which one you want? The red one?
With the Marlboro Reds. They ain't short, so.
The second one you smoked or the other one?
No,
I think one's Reds, the longest.
It wants to go like the Cowboys.
I like Marlboro Red shorts. That's right. If I used to sit there and smoke too much,
It's gonna make him want.
And then with me not being a shooter, I look at
Yeah,
this shit
whatever.
like, I'm not saying they can't try me with, 'cause I know they can do it before they want to. But at the end of it, they can't try me with the attempt at homicide.
living
or the
room
murder.
floor, yes.
It gotta be something with that car. That's the only thing really.
Yeah, it was on the camera.
Something with driving that car. The one like I was a getaway.
It was just the phone. They had a wallet case on the back of it.
What kind of phone?
No, it had a somebody's back ring picture. I'm not even sure. Yep. He was asking me where I found the phone over there. If I find it, they'll
They got a Gucci case on it.
like a wallet case on it.
He was on the couch.
Yeah.
Probably more phone.
Are you your background?
Huh?
Are you the background on it?
Uh-huh.
Or somebody with a flash money or something like that on it, so in the back behind. They're just logging everything.
Yeah.
It's almost over.
What's up?
I said, this shit almost over.
Should be. Not too much longer, I don't think.
My brother from going to jail, right? Common sense, bro.
Dude, I got zero idea to be honest with you. I ain't bullshitting you when I say I got no fucking game in this.
I would think like
That's what I think I like got it figured out. I don't.
Cause I know like when how they did my brother. Shit, they knew they did that shit.
Which brother?
Just
No.
they knew they did that, but they let them go, and then they came back and got their ass.
Look,
Yep.
you know, sometimes you don't have enough.
Shit, not even with them amending.
Huh?
Without them even amending, people telling.
Who? Jesse's?
Yeah, cause people telling in his case
Yeah, that was like a day or two later.
when they started telling.
Like when he come back in that second time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to develop enough probable cause to make an arrest on him.
Shit, I already know. I fucked up with it. I told him I drove it. But I ain't lie to shit. I ain't buy that car. I ain't buy the car. I ain't asked for it. Shit.
Are you the oldest?
Yeah.
You ain't try to keep Jesse out of this?
I was in jail.
Why not?
Like, I was telling Jesse every day in jail, telling him, like, bro, this shit is not where you want to be.
Yeah.
Like, this shit ain't what's up in here.
Yeah.
I like, bro, I'm in this bitch fighting for my life, bitch. Just come out.
He
Like,
thought this like that, doing that kind of stuff was like the coolest thing.
yeah, that's how he is. Fucked up in here. We used to beat his ass, like, I swear to God. Me and AJ, we used to beat his ass, like, he didn't know he was policing, like,
Is that why he's hard-headed?
hard-headed as fuck. He over there right now in the box. Well, he was in the box. He big.
What do you mean? Like in like solitary?
Yeah, he big as shit now, though.
Big?
Fat or
Man,
muscular?
He big. Like,
Well, she ain't got nothing to do but work out. Is he in
he in the new jail.
the new one?
Yeah, you know, he's still a junior. He ain't never fixing it.
Yeah.
You in there with Bobby Hawkins?
Bobby Hawkins.
BJ?
Yeah.
I love BJ.
I ain't gonna lie, that boy, he could beat him a murder, boy.
That boy has about 10 murders. You know he's a serial killer.
Boy, that boy there can beat him a murder, boy. You hear what I said?
Mm-hmm.
He'd be dead to the wrong and still get off on that bit.
We got him on 17 years trafficking.
He's in prison?
Yeah.
He went to prison now?
Not yet. He has to go to his murder trials come up.
He gonna beat them bitches. I just got a feeling like, bro, you just did this shit. Like, damn, Mike Green too.
Me and Bobby are cool.
Mike Green, yeah.
I don't like Mike. Me and Mike don't get along.
Mike, boy, he don't fuck out either.
Me and Bobby, we close. I've arrested Bobby 4 times.
BJ?
Yeah. And then his boy, what's his name again? Fuck. Shit. Can't remember his goddamn name. One of those over there on Vicky Street.
Mm-hmm.
Usually was my name for a long time. Yeah, you don't fuck with BJ, man. That's one motherfucker you don't play around. You know how many dead bodies that guy has? Literally. That dude's killed more people probably than anybody I know.
Yeah, like
Hey, what up?
walk around that bitch.
Wasn't BJ like
Okay.
my
Appreciate
right
it.
hand man though?
And when you're done that, we're gonna head back up. Okay. And we'll see if we get you a shirt, okay? Because I know we said it earlier, but we had to go through crime scene because they have the Tydex suits or Tybex, whatever the fuck they call them.
Yeah.
Do you have any? Because you're in the rapid response. Do they have any throwaways?
But you don't want the ones we got.
What?
Ours like plastic. It's like wearing a bag. You don't want.
That's what else do we fucking have?
Those are like the cloth ones that.
Oh, they cloth? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get you warm, man, when we go back in.
I'll find you some.
Yeah. Baba John Doe.
All that I do know, though.
The toss.
Not for sure.
Huh? He's not telling me that.
So I was thinking.
What?
But this shit, like, shit, I don't care what they try me with. Like, I just don't want them to try me nobody. You can't try, you really can't try me with the homicide or the what's kind of bad and shit on gun. I didn't have a gun. It just drove the car.
Yeah, remember, man, we're not.
Then I was forced. I already know. I was forced to drive that bitch. Shit, but that was fair in my life. Shit. Shit, what if I did drive that car? When y'all found the car, people said y'all found me too. Yeah. How looking at? I swear to God, when the boy had my ass scared with it, I was the last one by the car. Like at the end of the shit, like didn't know what the fuck to do. Like ain't even bleach that bitch. Shit, I let them do that shit. I like man, no, man.
Who did that?
I don't know. Well, it was real though.
Oh, real?
They bought you shit.
Where'd they do that at?
I don't know.
They did it that night?
Yeah.
Where'd they have the one where they did it over there?
Oh,
at the trailer? I took it somewhere else. Bigger.
Sorry.
No?
You all right?
That's law school. Yeah, that's law school, man.
I think he has about 3 ounces of pressure. This thing's older than the damn sheriff's office. You know, it used to be really cool back in the day. You used to be able to sit here and drink and smoke.
Yeah.
I'm not in that shit. Here, bro.
Oh.
Well, he said we put him in the metal can.
You got it. I'll have two.
Yeah. Oh, there. It's a tiny one.
Hey, I ought to go get that paper to punch or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to find you something.
I thought that was like coke.
Huh?
Coke or something. No.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to find something. Yeah, hold on. Put it on. I was gonna take that one off. Let's see.
Well, nothing to do, sure.
Yeah, that's some soda. I was like, what's that? I hate these ones.
Y'all never let me do the either. Huh? Y'all ain't let me shit.
You need to?
Yeah, I've been said that. I said,
You didn't tell me that.
told them that before they took my side smoke cigarette.
Yeah, put it back on. Oh, all right. I'll take it back. What? Oh, yeah, I'll buy for one. Not come back and I'll grab you and we'll go back. Yeah. You'll take it back there next week. I am. Okay. Well, they put it up. Huh? There's someone else in the back. Yo. Tell me, I'm moving. What? I'll tell you. I'm moving. I got a lot. All right. I'll be right back here.
Because this one might be the one with skinny fucker. At least we more likely to re-engage with you.
Oh shit.
Well, after the shit he's talking to them, we need to try to find you who re-engage with them. Here's the thing, bro. I don't know the decisions that are going on there as much as I would like to tell you, and I ain't bullshitting you. But what's happening right now, the people that are handling this case, doing some talking and everything else, and these type of decisions don't, I mean, they're not like, oh, yeah, here we go. They have to address it, they have to bring it up to people with thought. I mean, this is where we are. Okay, I mean, people making decisions are up here. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, thanks, Bob.
Shit, man, y'all eat food.
I can't lose no, brother.
We want to fight like this when I first came out. Like, oh, God.
Those are different ghosts of knowledge.
I'm talking these. This shit hurt my phone.
I'm thinking these piano brushes. I'm over here trying to pop for you. I would smoke as much smoke as you can get right now, son. It should be old fat.
Oh, that. Hey, it was tripping, bro. Yeah, like, can't stop the shit, like, too.
Mm-hmm.
But hell, I just know, like, hey, can't y'all read what's calling to talk to me?
Who?
Can't y'all end up, like, pulling me back over there and talk again?
What, from over there?
Yeah.
Why? You gonna think about telling us more when you're over there?
Oh,
We
man,
can't. It's better not.
that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying, cause I know, like, when people on drugs and shit, you don't supposed to question. You're not supposed to, I thought.
You talk to a lot of people on drugs, man.
I know it, but I heard, like,
It's different. There's different circumstances, okay?
yeah. Like, someone's in that bar. Then, but I ain't tripping. I know what's going on. Like, I said what I could tell you everything I said already.
Well, I've got a question for you then, man. And like I said, this is outside of interviewing. We are legitimately, this is just between me and you. Where can I find KJ?
Huh?
Where can I find KJ?
Where's the thing?
Because the more people we get to talk to, the more people that say you were driving a damn car, not shooting. Does that make sense?
He did not take flight. He gonna take flight.
Oh, dude,
Where would he go?
Hmm?
Where's he gonna go?
He left last night. He was over there this morning. Well, he was over there last night.
Where do you guys usually pick them up at?
I don't know the address. Like shit like that. Like I don't know like address in the streets. Like I'll have to show you. Like
What
physically.
neighborhood am I at?
You know, Creighton. So I know.
Oh, Creighton? Oh, wow, Creighton. What the fuck's he doing on the goddamn north end? That ain't for.
That's
Got a little piece of that?
little
Yeah.
like Timmy and Real. I know it's gonna be hard to find Real, but he on the run. Yeah, already on the run. Timmy shit. I already know they ain't gonna get the shit. I don't think they gonna come out. Yeah. See, if they get question, they'll beat their question. I feel like I just know it. They'll beat their question. They ain't gonna do them. Stay with the police. I already know how this shit gonna go.
Well, what would help us prove that, it was them?
Me shit. That's it.
Just you?
My brother, he knows shit. Man,
Well, here's
they
the.
the mastermind of this
Did
shit.
they message you that night on your phone? Would it be on your phone?
Call me.
They would call you?
They
Like,
call me.
do you remember, is their phone number the same? Has it changed?
Oh,
Theirs.
yeah, they changing it. They got new phones and all.
Since that night?
Yeah,
Do you remember what their phone numbers were that night, though?
they ain't never get it. They never. I told they went to moving funny.
Well, then how would they called you, though?
They called me the night of.
Yeah. So you would have had their number that night.
Yeah,
Yeah. But then they changed it after that? Oh, let's kill them.
both of them. One of them ended up didn't even have a phone for a little while. Timmy, he didn't have a phone for a little while. He just not getting it.
So it was Rel that had the phone and message. Oh, what's that?
Timmy called me, bro. Listen, I'm saying Timmy called me.
Mhm.
They got rid of their phones.
Right after they got rid of the car?
I don't know, 'cause I know I tried to call him. It went straight to voicemail.
And that's why y'all couldn't get up with them after that night.
That was my first time seeing him. What boy? You ever seen him?
Other than you dropping off that car, they didn't have you do any other dirty shit for them, did it?
What the
Like move guns or anything like that?
fuck? I ain't even seen no gun. That's the thing about it. Like,
They give you any bags or anything to tell you to get rid of? And I ain't saying it's you. I'm just saying that they already made you get rid of the fucking car because it goes to show you how much they fucking care for you. Last time I checked, if you're fucking driving, they tell you get more. I tell them to get the fucking car and drive that shit away.
I'm telling man, they gonna go. Like, they realize a lot of that shit was just out of feel, bro. Feel me? Like, hell. Y'all say y'all roll behind that shoe too. And when y'all can get me, y'all still got a gun. With bullets. So shit. Hell, you don't do what your ass say. That's just like you pull that bitch out right now. I'm gonna do exactly what you say, shit. I want my life, shit. That's why I just don't want to murder on me. I'll take
I understand, brother. I really do. I ain't bullshitting. I'm telling you that. Listen.
my daddy got 2 licenses, bro.
Yeah.
Feel me?
Here's the thing we're going to tell you, dude. Other than the fuckers that talk with you and shit, we don't bullshit. We ain't transparent as fuck. Okay?
Yeah.
Keep smoking, man. I don't give a fuck. Those things need to go to use.
But shit, like, I feel like if I'm gonna go down for some shit, I really go down for it. Like, I can't, well, how y'all looking at I know y'all looking at like I played, I played the party. But killing shit, I ain't squeezing no hammer shit. I know that. I know that for a fact. I ain't pulling no trigger. Feel me? So shit,
Why would he try to put it on you, though?
Who?
With your brother. They're trying to say he's.
Dude, they even drew a fucking car, which everybody knows what a fucking car looks like. And your brother puts you in a spot.
What spot you put me in?
What is what, man?
He put himself in the driver's seat.
Yeah, he said he's driving. You were in the back. We drew a car, 4 quadrants. Okay, look at it. Imagine 4 quadrants.
But look,
Okay,
I'm gonna put it like
himself in
this.
the
It's common
driver's
sense, bro. That shit that goes so scared. He's scared right now. It's common sense, bro. Listen, I'm gonna put it like this. It's common sense. This is how I know, bro. You just said you was in the car with me.
Mm-hmm.
And I was driving, right? That was the first thing you said. You already said I was driving the car. Like, nah, you was driving the car. That don't make sense, bro. Come on, bro. You wasn't even in the front seat. You was in the back seat.
Y'all full brothers?
They got the same daddy.
Same dad.
You was in the back seat. KJ in the front seat. So how? How the fuck you driving? That's why when he said I want to talk to him, hell yeah, I'm finna have his ass tell y'all the same shit, bro. Just be honest, bro. Y'all already know.
We told him that. We told him what you said, and he didn't fucking care.
I ain't tripping. Either way it go. Shit. If I don't get the accessory and I get the murder, I'm gonna beat him. I'm gonna beat him. You gotta prove that shit. I know for a fact I ain't kill nobody.
What things can you have us go find or look into that can help exonerate you?
I can't call nobody for y'all.
What kind of calls would you make?
Shit, like people that see me drive the car.
That night?
Huh?
That night?
Nah, ain't nobody see me drive that bitch that night. I'm saying,
But we have to focus in on a certain time frame. It has to be that night. Does that make sense?
Like saw you, Amos, and KJ in the car, and you were driving it.
I got one person, but shit, he ain't want to get involved with shit like this.
Who is it?
Oh, boy. The one who took me to the car.
Which one?
His name Tone.
Tony?
His name Tone. They call him Tone. But shit,
he wouldn't help him?
Yeah.
What's Tone's name?
I don't know his first name.
No, last name? What's it look like?
Big. He got prison.
Got any tattoos that are noticeable?
Oh.
Why wouldn't he help you?
I mean, he probably can say, but he ain't gonna feel like I didn't say I was driving that car. Feel me? But shit.
But he's the one that took you to Carriage Hills to pick it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
And watch me pull up. Shit. I ain't really tripping though. I'd rather take the 10 years off of accessory. That's all I'm saying. And then instead, cause you can't take a plea on life. I mean, on a murder charge. Bro. You gotta go to trial. And then that's just not if they end up putting me in the boat with him of going to trial as a shooter. Okay, boom. Y'all.
Let me tell you this.
Y'all still not gonna get justice because I'm gonna beat it because I didn't shoot. Like I didn't kill anybody.
Let me tell you this, okay? I had a case about 2 years ago in February. Maybe you heard about it. A guy named Ladarius Clardy.
Yeah.
Killed a clerk over there on Blue Angel Drive. Shot him in the head. Shot him in the chest. He was a trigger puller. And the driver was his girlfriend. Because she cooperated, told her whole story, and gave us the full statement. You know, not bits, pieces, and all that. Full cooperation. They gave her a plea. They gave her a robbery. That's a big difference between life.
Yeah, shit.
So, remember, mind you, what she did for us was substantial. It wasn't just, like bullshit talk and all that.
Shit.
And I ain't saying you bullshitting.
I'm getting y'all that G shit. Like, this is, like, honest opinion, like, swear to God. He know how to drive, but he ain't know how to drive that good. I know for a fact he doesn't drive wrong.
Like, for example, some shit that's always good with us, and this is always on any single case, man. And I ain't saying a gun. If you know where a gun's at, and you fucking didn't touch that damn gun, we get the gun, run DNA on the firearm, guess what? They exonerate you from pulling that fucking trigger, doesn't it?
Yeah. But shit, that's the thing.
We need big shit. You know what I mean?
It's kind of outrageous.
You
gotta look at it like this. If you look like that, you need big shit. Okay. Yeah. It's common. Everything common sense if you think about it, bro. If I was driving and I got left for dead, stranded by myself with those three, with Timmy and Real, shit. And fire came out the car, that means when they disappeared, they know where those guns are. It's common sense. Fuck, they have them. Fuck, that goes to show, bro. It's common sense, bro. This what y'all was doing, bro. Common sense. If I went and parked the car and y'all went there, y'all was in my car, supposed to shoot. Y'all got the gun, bro. I don't got no fucking gun. So that goes to show right there, like, feeling like, hey, cutting on the line, shit, we going, bro. It's time to man up, shit. Shit hit the fan, bro. Shit, I even told them, boy, bitch, we ain't gonna be able to run from this shit, bro, bitch. Like, all that eventually, bitch, they gonna come get us, bitch. Y'all got to be ready. Like, but I ain't expect nobody, oh, shit. I'm thinking, shit, you gonna keep that shit real. But everybody know I wasn't driving. Swear to God. Like, on my life. I mean, I was driving, that's it. Like, driving the car. I went, that's it. Like, that's all it is. I went, you feel me? I just drove the wheel. Like, got to the vehicle and drove the vehicle. And then if he said, that's how I know it's not no cameras that catch it. Because if it was cameras that catch it, like you said, you wouldn't even ask me that question about driving. You would have known I got in that vehicle July 1st and drove.
Who rented the other car?
I don't know.
How do you know it was a rental though?
Well, when I got inside of it, I seen no smoking.
Where did it say no smoking at?
Rental car got stickers in them. Like the
This is like little.
You never got a fucking rental car?
Like these like the little circle ones, or like some of them have it like this straight up just written across the bed.
Circle.
Little circle one. Yeah.
Shit.
Remember what type of car it was?
Nissan Road. I already told you.
Yeah, I didn't catch that.
Yeah, I did that. We had to start down the store too though. They had me going there and get the glove. No. It's either I went and got the glove. I know for a fact they told me to get some gloves. But I'm not for sure. I remember I didn't have them. I remember they ended up giving them back to me. Like, oh, Bill. All right. Man, come on, Bill. I'm gonna follow you. Like, you need to part this shit, bro. Shit, y'all. You got a gun. Mm-hmm. Now, what they did with their gun, I don't know. What my brother know, I still don't know because I was with them.
What kind of gun does your brother usually carry?
Oh, shit. We got 9, I think.
What's it look like?
All black. The laser on.
All black with a laser. Big or small?
I don't know. Big, I think.
What would you call big?
Like, he had a Ruger at the time.
At the time of the murder?
Yeah, like 900.
Shit. Would you say this big, this big? What are we talking about? Was it the size of this one? Or bigger or smaller?
It's no.
A little smaller?
And he came back. Nobody had a gun. He came back. Nobody had one when he came back. Tell you that. And then this how I know I was driving for. I'm gonna put it like this. Boom. This common sense. This how I know right here. This put the icing on the cake. When they got back, they even asked me, did you put the car up in? You didn't blow that bitch up? You bleached the car? Did you bleach the car? Did you blow it up?
Who was asking you that?
KJ, both of them.
Amos and KJ?
Well, not Amos, I say nothing. But he like, damn, you should have blew that bitch up. I'm like, good. Y'all should have wanted to blew that bitch up, bitch. Y'all don't tell him like, but y'all should have wanted to blow that bitch up. But y'all love me, bitch. Why y'all ain't gonna blow that bitch up? All right.
So Amos wasn't giving you shit about not blowing it up?
Nah, he don't say nothing for real. Right.
How did he take it?
He was like
beat up.
Huh?
I said, how did he take it when he found out the news that it was Ladarius?
Everybody was like, damn. We were like, what the fuck? So I look at him. First quarter, I shake my head. I shake my head at both of them. I'm like, boy, I go outside. I'm like, man, that shit crazy as fuck. This is to myself, though. I'm like, man, what the fuck? These folks, like, so when you can't cop, right out there, shit, they're like, even real, and they're like, oh, yeah, KD, we got his ass. We got his ass. So I'm like, at the end of that shit, I ain't seen no cheese, I ain't seen no money, none of that, so I really don't give a fuck. Like, I'm like, shit. I'm hoping, like, really, like, hoping, like, these folks ain't dead. Like, you feel me on some shit, like, but I like, that shit hit the fan. Fuck. Like, that's all I'd say is fuck. Like, we fucked up. Well, I can't even say we fucked up. Okay, at the same time, I still tried to stop it. Mm-hmm. I never said, when we got to the car, I swear to God, like, side by side, bro, I never said, hey, They asked me, they like, hey, bitch, let us know when we get to the side of the car. I like, all right. Shit, my heart beating. I ain't seen shit. I swear to God, like, I ain't seen nothing like, shit, before the light. Like, the light was just turning red. Shit. Shit. Who looked up first? I think if I started coming out the back window first. Oh, no.
Who was in the back seat?
My brother.
The Amos started.
Both of them, I think they both really started at the same time. I just, like, I couldn't, like, I'm driving, so it's like, I can't just look over, like, so shit. Then when I did look over, I looked like I was finna go towards the ditch with him. So that's when I yanked the car, like, look at that. Come on. Shit. And like I said, I'll take what I did wrong. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
Feel me? Like, but as far as being charged with murder or the attempted murder, hell no, I ain't going for that. Ain't no way. Shit. Cause even if they put the murder on me, that ain't gonna stick. The murder's not gonna stick, bro. Cause I know I didn't kill him, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I don't got no gun residue on me or nothing. I didn't kill him. Around that time, I didn't even have a gun.
Who was with your brother in back?
He was in the back by himself.
Oh, KJ was up in the front.
What kind of gun KJ got?
Huh?
What kind of gun did KJ have?
A black one. That's all I was saying.
You need to have a big mag in it.
I wasn't paying attention like that. I really didn't want to go. But shit. If I was real shit, if I didn't go, I think it was another nigga that was gonna drive.
Who?
Oh yeah, Ray was gonna drive. He was gonna drive, but he felt like I bought too many people. So I can't. I told you I don't trust him. So shit, I already called my crew. I called my brother, and my cousin. All right. Shit,
Who'd you get the car from again?
I got it from LD.
There's. They call him LD.
Stallworth.
Yeah.
You know Eric Smith, right?
Yeah, I know him too.
Yeah, was he there? You got the car?
No.
You hung out with him recently?
Yeah.
He wasn't with you all that night, though, was he?
Nope. Neither one of them.
What do y'all call him, EJ?
Yeah.
What's EJ like?
Don't do shit, still call.
Is this a booster?
Nah, he just still call. Still call. Car hot ball.
Car hop, yeah.
Shit.
Y'all get
That's why when they said that Ford keys up, no. Hell no, that's not that key to that car. Y'all go put that, try to unlock that motherfucker right now, that bitch ain't gonna work.
What'd you do with the key that night?
Huh?
What'd you do with the key to it when you got out of the car?
Me? Shit. Soon I got out that motherfucker, I came back, dropped that bitch on the table. Gave it there. I was like, but y'all get this shit.
After they gave you a ride home, you dropped it on the table?
At my own jacket.
So they took you back to Jacqueline, you put it on your own table and told them to get rid of it?
I had to wait on them to get there so I can get in the house.
Who's that?
My brother Amos and KJ. I'm waiting.
So
they wasn't there.
Trell and Blim already dropped you off?
They waiting though. They really trying to pull off and leave me though. Like, but they waiting on me, so they sending them to come. They waiting on my brother to come. Whoever my brother know with, shit. Feel me?
Where did these some go?
With them.
Where did they take it though?
I think they switched it up.
You know where they dropped it off at?
Yeah, they switched it. Shit. I think they got a whole different car.
They talked about where they got that SUV from?
Ain't no else.
I
just tell us on the car.
Yeah. Were they on the phone with anybody when you were going over there towards the dice game?
Matter of fact,
Timmy was?
He was calling real and shit. Yeah, like he had his brother in the area. So both of cars in there. He was just parked down from under some trees.
How'd they know about the dice game?
From one of their people. One of their people told them.
You know who?
Said like a brother or some shit. Like my little brother told him putting on game like the nigga here, this and that.
You know what his brother's name is?
Oh no, bro.
You don't know? Never met him?
No, they ain't seen
But which one of them said it was his brother?
Huh?
Which one said it was
That,
his
both of them said, like, shit, my little brother already said it's a go. He up. Like, type shit, we just gonna wait on him. And, like, when we first got there, he was pulling in
Who was born? Oh, he,
for LD, the one that died.
Mhm.
He was pulling in.
So you knew it was LD then?
No.
Oh.
We ain't found out till the news.
You thought it was Katie?
Huh?
You guys think it was Katie?
That's all we got on our head. It's Katie. That's Katie.
Who the fuck told you all that?
Them.
What, trailing them?
Yes. I'm telling you, bro. They basically like set everything up.
Mm-hmm.
Shit.
But
I just had only reason like they set everything up.
Right.
They set everything up and I knew what LD part to come. And hell, I can get that bill if I need it.
But they called you earlier wanting to rob the dice game.
Yeah.
Who at the dice
They're
game
like,
wanted to rob?
Timmy. Oh no, they didn't say who. They like, bitch, I got a sweet ass lit for you, bitch. They around that bitch shooting dirt. I'm like, bro, I don't even do that type of shit. Like, I like,
Just
bro,
hit everyone in the dice game for them, right?
they used to like, bro, I don't rob because they don't have to worry about somebody come back to kill me.
Yeah.
Like, anything that's gonna contain me to lose my life, no. Like, I was screwed up by this shit when like, before y'all even got to it, like, when people were saying shit about it. Like, they were saying either, first they went from, cause at the beginning, they were saying my brother was shooting.
Brother.
And then it came to, my brother was in the car, I'm the shooter. I like, hell nah, I'm telling him, I'm like, look, bro, that shit ain't gonna fly with me, bitch. Ain't no way I'm finna take no I'm the shooter, bitch. No, bitch. Like, it took a release out of him, so shit, he ain't really mind no more. Cause they ain't saying you killed nobody. Shit. So woman, from that to that, like, shit. How can I put it? Goddamn.
How much earlier in the night did they call you about hitting the lick just to rob it? If you had to guess.
Like, probably like 3 hours before, something like that. Hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. Like shit.
Did you talk to him after that, or the next call was the one about KD?
Yeah. They're like, yeah. Matter of fact, they said KD up for a bit. And I guess they know more about the money shit than me. They was basically, they ain't like, they never bought up no money for real until they're like blowing the car.
What do you mean by that?
They're like, we're gonna pay you at the blue color.
Huh.
So they know.
They thought they were going to get money from killing KD?
Yeah.
You
okay?
I'm always dying, so
yeah, everyone is. Well, they, would have got that money for KD. They'd have plenty to give you a G. Torch it.
Exactly. Well, that's how I end up adding shit. I just put shit together. Really.
What were they going to give your brother and them though for helping?
I don't know.
It's got to be some sort of split. That's the weird thing.
That good.
all this bullshit over Katie, man.
Mm.
That motherfucker's way outlived his life expectancy.
Shit, Katie killed somebody too.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we know.
I just ain't got him.
You know.
So good enough. Like he got he's got something to do with the moon.
A little moon.
Mm-hmm.
Well, they got him at the platinum club, didn't they?
Yeah. Day before I'll do it, talk to him.
How do you know it was them?
Huh?
How do you know it was him?
Preach talk.
Preach.
I know about them ones too. I'm just gonna go back in.
You know about Quan?
Quan
Sims?
Daquavion Sims?
One was killed and went the last drive in the trailer.
Yeah. I'm going. They're trying to say, yeah, you'll kill him.
You friends with you?
Yeah, that's my nigga.
He's over there in the bad spot too, isn't he?
Yeah, he ain't a boss, bro.
What'd he do?
Oh, Joe, he ain't got doing all type of shit.
He has his hands in just about a little bit of everything.
I'm talking about put himself in the box over there.
Oh, did that?
Oh, you get in the box, fight.
Oh, is he one of the ones that stopped fuck. I heard about that the other day over there. Him and like some broke people. Is that the one? The fight in the jail?
Oh no, I heard they in the box too, I think.
Yeah. Supposed to be there's a big fight. We're talking about that with the CEOs the other day.
So I feel that. See, when I first went to jail, I feel
Who
that
was
keep
it?
away from them. I'm from the other side of town.
Uh-huh.
And then everybody from around my side of town, they jumping on me. Feel me?
Who was it trying to jump you?
Liddell tried to send him on me when I first got up there.
Oh. Yeah, I thought you said the other day someone was trying to fight you out there.
Huh?
You saying you had somebody was trying to
Yeah, Liddell, he was trying to send him here.
on you?
Yeah, and it was two broken people in my door. So shit.
Which one's trying to go toe to toe with you?
Now on. They know me from the street. So they on some shit like, man, I ain't stunned that shit, but I'm on some shit like I fade y'all like my respect here, yeah. I just wish I had real life good shit, better as ever for real, for real. Cause all this shit circumstantial. This shit he say she said. Feel me? That shit can't stick in court.
Ready?
Yeah, hey, let's go.
Yeah, hold on. I'm just smoking.
Yeah, let's go, brother.
I'll just sit down.
You gotta preload that system, so.
Oh. So I know I ain't finna smoke nothing on me about 2 years. That's depending how this shit goes.
Okay. They don't let you have cigarettes now.
No, they don't give cigarettes.
Count 5.
They used to have like.
I'm finna go straight to the 4th floor. Or either they finna put me on Bluetooth or they gonna put me on Blue 4. Or 1 4.
Yeah, when they put you out on Camp 5, which was nice.
They've got that new jail over there too.
They ain't putting us. They gonna put us over there for the night.
And then move you.
Camp 5 was nice, man. Whenever I had a flat tire or something,
Yeah, they go.
I always pay me packs of cigarettes. I always asked CEOs, I'm like, they want to have cigarettes? He's like, I don't give a shit. I was like, here you go, buddies. Had a carton. I was just tossing that shit out. Those dudes are Johnny on the spot, man. You know what they're doing about patching tires?
Hey, essentially, that shit. What that shit? First degree, ain't it?
Premeditated.
That shit. Punishment of life.
Damn.
You said premeditated?
Capital.
Oh,
It's a capital for one.
That comes a lot.
capital murder.
Nothing higher.
That's one of them shit you gotta go try. Like, I ain't.
Serious.
I told y'all about
It don't matter what, man. If I was it was me, I'd always take the trial. Whatever, play nothing.
We only got 2 outcomes away for death.
Yep.
On trial. Shit. I ain't finna get no motherfucking license. I just told y'all in here. Bitch, I ain't kill nobody. I'm not finna get no license. Tripping, bro. I can go that bitch sit for a year, bro. They come at me 5 years, I'm gonna take it. 10 years, I'm gonna take it. Shit. I know I'm wrong. I ain't do. I drove the car. I'm wrong. I know I'm wrong. That's it. That's all I did. That's my point. That's my point.
You feel bad about LD?
I felt bad when forever. I talked to the dad and all. I couldn't tell the dad, like, no shit, like, but I can't say we killed your son because I ain't shoot. You feel me?
You know who did? Are you scared over there?
Huh?
Are you scared of him?
Who?
LD's
dad.
Man, okay, he was sending threats too. Like,
Oh, I know. Yeah.
like, he gonna do something to that. Like, he could have killed us one day. Some shit. Like, I'm like, what the fuck? Like,
You think he'd take justice into his own hands if he knew?
he probably would, but hell.
I don't know much about LD.
Isn't he an old head?
Huh?
He's an old head, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like, even if so though, even you take just in your own hand, you do something else, bro. Now you gonna jail.
Yeah.
Shit, you gonna jail for like?
Gee, you know.
I'm not a shooter, so I'm not.
You got kids?
Huh?
You have kids? You got to feel his pain, though.
I do though. I understand it. I lost family. I know how that shit feel. Like, I've been in the streets so long. I know how shit feel. Feel?
Shit. Man, you should have steered Jesse out of that shit.
I was in jail. AJ supposed to steer Jesse out of that shit. Feel me?
Yeah. That's his whole brother, right?
That's his.
They look just like each other. You weren't lying, though. Yeah, he's jacked as shit. Jesse?
We saw him today.
Yeah, we saw him today.
We actually went into the wrong pod. We
Hey,
got
I
lost
see
at the jail.
Yeah, I saw him.
Yeah, no, we did.
I was like, that's the first
Not
thing.
on purpose. We walked. We got lost in the
I walked-
fucking jail because we don't go there very often. We ran into my fucking brother.
big shit.
Yeah.
He saw it.
He's
Too.
wearing
like,
yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, juvenile.
Yeah, they're
Is that
juvenile.
what it is?
Yeah, but they're keeping them up
Yeah,
there.
they put me up when I go. They gonna put me in red.
Yeah.
Or red. They might put me in red white first.
The red and white stripes.
Yeah, put me on. If I add,
Yeah.
I saw add by 7 months.
When I saw him at Hughes, I was like, good God. Like,
Yeah.
he was lying. He must be in there all day just doing push-ups.
Yeah, he was.
Last time I saw him, he's still just a little kid.
Yeah, hey,
Sad, man.
shit sad.
Hey, he made his bed. Let him lie.
Exactly. That's what I said. Shit, I rather lay in my bed than lay in one of their beds. You feel me? Shit, ain't no way. I'll take the what's called. Like, I'll take the assist. What? Murder? Like, saying like I'm one of the. Hell no. I'm not taking that. I can't take that. And then, honestly, I already know y'all really don't even got that much evidence for real. Y'all really got like he say, she say.
They got a tremendous amount of evidence. I can tell you that. I say they because it ain't my side. We got 2 homicide groups.
Yeah.
I'm part of another group.
I mean, they got a lot of evidence.
I wouldn't tell you how much we got, but
Like, I mean, I'm not really tripping because, like, I told y'all my point. I don't got no gun. Shit. I ain't do shit with drunk.
Mm-hmm.
Feel me? Like, that's just like what's falling over there. You know, Dante Walker.
Sounds familiar.
He with the bro gang in the club when the girl got killed.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What's his nickname again? You got one?
I don't know. But shit, with Dante, they got him on the, no cap, literally. You know, LD, I swear to God, LD is literally right here in jail. I swear to God. They got him on the 4th floor. He's right here. Like, in front of the jail. Like,
how do you know that?
because I looked up the morning. He on Blue 4 Green.
So you know we're all men?
Yeah, that's what I was. I was on Blue 4 Green before I left. But, shit. Shit, I'll tell you, like, I ain't take it, bro. I'm not, hell no, I'll be down get life for somebody to do. Hell no.
I always say don't take a ride for fucking other people. You know?
Yeah, man. I'll take it. I take them 10, 15. I ain't no 21.
Mhm.
I'll take them 10, 15 knowing I fucked up. Get out, like, fresh. But,
I can always say, man, is that you have your life or one fucking life.
exactly. And I'll just keep on low.
Hey, we'll take you back out here before you.
If it goes too much longer.
You want to carry this? Don't toss that out. Unless you catch on fire, and next thing you know, I gotta fucking get written up.
I do. But if any trial go, I'd rather just. If I had a choice, I'm telling y'all what's going on. Man. I'd rather get a step.
You want to take this?
Yeah.
What everybody else went there for? Huh? What everybody else went there?
Where's everybody else?
That was came in with it.
Oh, they had some other shit there. They had
Oh shit, I was shit.
some other stuff that happened.
They're a different unit.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's a different unit.
I thought people came in with us.
You talking about like Nether?
Oh, they all
Metal or whatever?
Yeah,
They had some other bullshit they got put on.
People that got came from Jackson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They did some other dumb shit and went back there.
You said they did a lot of dumb shit.
Probably. Yeah.
We literally know nothing about that bullshit.
Something about a shooting over off of Mass.
Huh?
Massachusetts, I believe.
Some shooting over there. Yeah. A star or something like that.
Star Circle.
You know, Ray Allen's other place.
Yeah.
I'm put your back up on the same spot, already. Small one, either. You did use the bathroom up in the top of the truck. Huh? Nah, I do. Shit, I be using it every day. What? We get stuck here sometimes 2 days straight, dude. For a couple hours.
We ain't gonna be able
You
to
put that back in the drawer there.
Yeah, we shouldn't be able to register this.
No, hell no, dude. Son, damn, 2 minutes.
You should be out of here about an hour or so.
An hour?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Once they finish the paperwork, it takes a little bit.
paperwork takes time. It's just a name. So you're
I
off.
don't take that to the shit out of there.
They don't. We used to be able to do that, but they don't let you do that no more in the new jail. Like we'd have to like just sit over there with you, and it's another room. So
Yeah, I
might as
mean,
well just hang out here.
honestly, it's not trickier than it's never there. It's for sure.
I do it for
No, they wouldn't let you do that until you got the paperwork.
Apparently, he's talking.
When you guys want to lay that straight.
Real. What'd he say?
Seen that grill and he called his brother. Then they mentioned what? Got tore when parked at Herman and S Street and moved up on the fence and then
Bro,
called them out.
You know what's
They started shooting out the car and where they went.
I know you are, but trying to have her talk to you into your arm. I get it, but like freaking having to ask you to repeat yourself 100 times just makes this drag on so much. Okay, so you guys thought
I
team.
mean, it tells me anything different. You got my text, right?
Okay, why are you guys trying to? Why are you guys
But
trying
he's
to
still
shoot?
saying
he said that-
How are they trying to shoot it?
So his brother had a Ruger that night. He said he thought it was a 9, but he compared it to. We got a Ruger LCD.
How much money do you have?
Do you have any 3A casings on?
You don't know.
Probably not.
Okay. Okay. Well,
But
are they going to cut you?
The one
off
thing
or
that stuck
something?
out that he did say though, that was
Fucking
weird,
walk the drive.
is when they were doing drive, they start shooting start. He wasn't look. He was looking straight ahead, but then he said like he looked over a little bit to see what was going on and wasn't really paying attention. He's like, man, I almost hit him. So then I had to jerk the car back. He's like,
well, no,
they actually did it.
That's you said when they started the shoot.
He did have to. But he talks about having to jerk it away from it.
Okay.
Like right about.
So did you know
they split up?
The goal was at that point to try
Said
to
he
shoot?
jerked away from it and he punched it and he took it on.
Investigator? Yeah, I'm gonna talk to them again. Oh, okay. I'll track him down, send him over here.
Really, shirt, bro. I mean, like an old shirt, no nothing, man.
We used to have a blanket here. I can't even find it.
Well, for the paper suit.
I'm over here. Did you find it? You want to
Have somebody did. I think they came up and they give us a number. Get beat up.
Yo,
You gonna check him out?
Yeah.
Oh, you can help me understand what's going on a little bit more.
yeah. We are working on arrest reports for you and Amos and the other one. All right.
Cool.
Yeah.
So y'all charging us?
Uh-huh.
What you charging me?
Murder.
Murder?
Mhm.
But I'm not the shooter.
Doesn't matter. You're part of the set of events that happened that transpired.
That don't make sense. I thought it was like, y'all just said, like, you feel me?
You're a principal to it. You're not the actual shooter, but you're a principal to it.
I thought be like a accessory, though.
That's
Like,
kind of what I thought.
but you just said murder.
Yeah, it'd be accessory to murder or principal to murder.
Oh, so I just get one charge,
Mm-hmm.
and then you get two.
I'll get one murder charge. You'll be like principal to the murder.
I don't understand what I'm doing. Like, I didn't do shit for driving. Like, They ain't had to get away out and move the car. None of that, bro.
But you requested an attorney if you want to talk about some of the events to square it all up. I can do that, but you got to let me know that you want to talk about it again.
But at the end of shit, even if we talk about it again, I'm still going to jail.
Yeah, but you also minimize your involvement.
Yeah, I think
There might be some mitigating factors to it, or
I just told
my whole thing about this is you've requested an attorney, but if there may be some things that you say that can help yourself out, but I can't do that because you requested an attorney.
the thing about it, before I requested an attorney, I gave everything I knew.
Mm-hmm.
I just said I need an attorney with help. Like, I don't understand this. I've never been in no situation like that. I mean, go get him. I'll talk to him some more. Cause like,
Who? Talk who?
whoever, like, but I'm not trying to like.
Okay.
Yeah, told.
Huh?
Yeah, told him call him. Hey, did you ever tell him call him? Who? Dude, remember you just said they tried to murder one of them, and you're like, oh, because I said something I need to speak with an attorney.
I didn't talk to you. I talked to you a little while ago. We went outside and smoked. I think Sergeant Coxwell was in here.
I don't understand how they could just try to murder two of them. Like,
Well, they're in there with the state attorney's office and they're talking about all of it. And basically, they're saying you knew what was going to happen
I didn't
and
know.
that you were driving the car.
You can't say I knew what was gonna happen when I never told them, hey, there you go right there, shoot. I said I never even told them lift up. I
So-
tried to play it off and like, you feel me, avoid the whole situation,
Right.
bro.
Well, and I don't, like I said, I haven't interviewed you. I haven't talked to you. So that was investigator. I know we talked a little bit outside on the smoke break, but I don't know what's all going on. Apparently, you asked for an attorney at some point.
I bet Kai said I don't understand what's going on. I need help. So I like, I've been asked for an attorney when he first walked in.
Okay. So, I don't know anything. I was still out there at your house when y'all first got here.
So with me asking for an attorney, that means what? Oh yeah, he did that. Like,
No, it means that they can't talk to you.
I just said I'm willing to talk. I'll talk to him right now.
Do you
With
want
an attorney? Yes, I want to talk
with an attorney?
with him.
You want to talk to which one? Tell me which one. What's he look like?
The dude who came and talked to me the first time, bro.
The old guy?
The one I told I needed an attorney to.
Okay. Like I said, bud, he was in here a minute ago. Tall guy with shaved head.
I don't know.
All right, I'll send somebody in here to talk to you in a minute. You want to talk to somebody though, right? They're getting, huh? They're getting killed. Yeah. Okay.
What I mean?
So he's gonna come talk to you.
Oh, that's what y'all gonna get?
Yeah. Yeah.
But I'm not understanding.
Yeah, they're going.
They just told me like, yeah, they writing the paperwork of murder, but they charging all this.
Well, the only thing I can think of, and like I said, I haven't been in any of these meetings or anything. Only thing I can think of is, and I don't know what your brother told them or anything else. Maybe he told them that you knew what was going on or whatever. I don't know any of that. So
bad at them, bro. I don't think I knew it was supposed to be KD, bro. That's it, bro. We'll drive. They just don't make me drive, bro. Like, you gonna drive, bro? Like, drive, bro. Easy drive, bro. Fuck, bro. They basically trying to like I pulled the trigger.
So, and I don't know. Maybe that's what your brother's saying or something. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what all the details about all this stuff. Shit, my bad. But I wasn't in here for all that, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on with all of it.
Bro, you can't even get on bond, bro.
No, there ain't no bond on the murder charge. So I don't
even assess like.
And that's why it's important for you to tell them everything.
That's what I'm trying to like. I didn't know. By honest, I said something about attorney because I didn't want to slip and say the wrong thing, bro. I don't know. This is my first time being in some shit like this.
Right. Okay, you here.
So you say you want to talk to me?
Yeah. So they just said they came.
But you said you want to talk to me?
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
said.
let me read. I have to read this before I say anything to you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used as evidence against you in court. You have the right to have a lawyer present while being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer to be appointed for you without cost before questioning. If you wish to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering any time. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Real shit. Like, cause they just came and I like, so what we getting charged with? They said murder. So like, I'm not understanding like, how can I be charged with the murder? I didn't shoot no gun. Like,
Okay.
but I swear to God, I got forced to drive the car. Like, they made me drive the car. Like, you gonna drive this car, bro? I need you to drive this car for me, bro. Like, drive.
Well, can I ask you some?
And I even tried my best to avoid.
Can I ask you some?
Like, I never said, hey, then he go right there and kill him. Like, I never said none of that.
Can I ask you some questions around it so I understand what you're saying? So I just want to, because I know what you told us before, and I know what we were told.
Exactly.
You said that when you got contacted, it was Rel and Blim, correct?
All right.
Okay. Where were you when they called you?
In traffic somewhere. I was in another car with somebody else.
Okay. And then what happened from there?
They kept blowing me up. Like, bro, you need to hurry up, bro. You need to tighten up, bro.
Where did they want to meet you at?
In Carriage Hills to get the car.
And so the car was in Carriage Hills. Okay.
Yeah. So I was like, I even told them, like, shit, y'all go ahead. Shit. They on some shit like, shit. Nah, bro, just go and jump in the car, goddamn, dude, like, follow.
Okay, so they're talking about the black car?
Yeah.
Okay, so
me and the Blim jumped in the black car and followed her brother. We passed by the area, they showing us the area, this and that. But man, he got this big ass gun, like, you feel me, man? I know I can't, like, I ain't got no gun, so I can't say, yeah, nah, boy, I ain't with this shit. I don't know what you willing to do to me, bro. I don't know, bro.
So what was the plan? Were they waiting on KD to come out? Or
I just know what they tell me. I just tell me what that's what I'm saying. They said some of your KD is this and that. So I'm like,
well, when you were sitting there in the car right outside the entrance to where Ladarius come out, right? You were sitting there with who?
my brother and KJ.
And KJ.
But at the same time, I even told you, like, when Ladarius came up, I seen him come up. But I told you I had a bad feeling about this shit the whole time. So I dropped my head, tried to play it off. They like, go big, go big. They go to cop. So shit, Tim and Real, they parked up the street a little bit in the bushes.
In what kind of car?
In the SUV.
What color was it?
A blue one.
Dark or light?
Like dark.
Dark colored SUV. You remember what kind?
A Rogue.
Do you remember Nissan Rogue?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember whose car who rented that for them, or did they rent it themselves?
I don't know.
You don't remember?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know.
Okay.
Honest God, true. Don't know.
Okay.
But shit, from that to got down, it went from that to I watched they lights cut on. So shit, they really pulled off before me, but I end up like getting in front of them, make it seem like, oh, I ain't picking. So shit, I'm thinking like, okay, with all this, I'm losing. So when he turned, I told you, I'm like, bro, I'll even stop at the red light. I end up running the red light.
Let me ask you this. Just because, you're telling me about the driving stuff and everything. Why is your brother telling me that you're a shooter?
What?
Why?
God, my brother can't tell you that because I never had no gun.
Well, that's what I'm asking. Why would he tell me that? Is he
He's
trying to
save
save
himself.
himself?
That's what it is, bro.
You guys are brothers. Why would he
Exactly, bro. But he on some shit like shit. He don't want to go to jail. Shit, I don't want to go to jail, but I know for a fact, shit, I ain't finna say him just, oh yeah, man, my brother shot him. Hell nah, God ain't true, shit. I ain't had no gun. I was driving. Yes, they shot. Both of them. Fuck, I ain't had no gun. I didn't shoot. I was driving. I tried to avoid the whole situation. I swear to God, even when we was at the red light, they didn't even know we was at the red light because they ducked down in the car. I swear to God, I'm not saying nothing the whole time. I'm waiting on the green light to go. So shit, they can go and go about that, but I'm low-key finna turn off. I swear to God, I was low-key gonna turn off. I was gonna get on nuances per regardless. Feel me? Shit. They end up looking up. Once they got at the light, they looked up and looked around, shit.
You talking about Ladarius?
No, I'm talking to people in the car me. Ladarius parked right next to me. We at the light.
Mm-hmm.
This before the shooting even started. Like, when we pulling up to the light. They like, damn, they would've cut. They would've cut. Ain't saying shit. So shit, I'm just looking straight. I swear to God. I ain't never looked over and nothing, but like, soon I heard the gunshot. That's when I like just smashed the gas out with the hand of gas.
Let me ask you one other thing too. You were telling me that, or I think you told one of the guys downstairs, you were saying something about bleach.
Yeah, they bought bleach and all.
Where'd they buy the bleach at?
I think they went to somebody's house and got it.
Okay, so you don't remember why?
That's when they had me like try to take the car to Beulah. That's when I was by myself. I'm like, no, bro. I'm like, hell, no, I ain't driving the car, bro. Like,
well, I mean, what I'm saying is, did you take the Beulah and get it dropped off, and then they picked you up, or did somebody pick you up, or did you walk?
Yeah, no. That's when I thought. See, I ain't gonna lie. I thought they gonna kill me too. I ain't gonna lie. I really did. I swear to God, because some fact, like how it was, I'm by myself. You feel me? So it's like they wiped the car down and just tell me to drive. Like,
Where were they when they wiped it, brother?
I really don't remember. I think we were like,
Were they on Jacqueline Way with you guys
no,
when they
we
wiped?
went on Jacqueline and wiping it. I swear we wasn't. Like, but shit, we was in Warren, somewhere in Warrenton.
Well, give me an exact address so I can go look. I'll go look for you.
I don't understand. I don't know exactly. I just know we was in Warrenton.
Okay, so they wiped it down.
In Warrenton.
Okay,
So
and then
shit.
did
They
you?
like, bro, you gonna have to drive this bit, bro.
Okay.
I'm like, hell nah, bitch. They like, you been driving this bit. But we in the trail, like a dark ass trail, I swear to God.
Did you wear gloves when you're driving?
They gave me gloves.
What color were they?
Brown, I think.
Brown gloves?
I think so.
Okay. And so you say they used bleach to do it, and then they gave you brown gloves.
They like shit. They like shit, bro. You gotta drive, bitch.
Okay. So you drove it out to Beulah.
So shit, I'm following them.
What were they? Were they driving the Rogue?
Yeah.
Where was your brother? And
At this time, I don't know. It's like everybody. It's like I was left for dead. Like honestly, I was really left for dead. Like basically, so shit. Like
you're the older brother, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How much older than him are you?
1 year.
Just 1 year?
So I'm following them. Shit. I know when we pull up the Beulah, like whenever we get out there in the neighborhood, like where the tree was, that's why I could have parked the car farther in there, but hell no, I'm like, I don't trust them for real. So like, I'm like, man, this shit weird. Like, I'm like, bro, I feel like these folks kill me, bro.
Do you remember how you put the car in there?
Man, not really. I think I just got hit gas, drove in there, got up. Got up right there.
And then they picked you up?
They ended up pulling up. See, this what they spooked me. They pulled up slow. They talked to me. They like,
I'm
like shit. What the fuck they said? They like, yeah, bitch. That fuck nigga gone, bitch. Cause you know how you get on the dispatch and you see where it say something cool. Like, yeah, that fuck nigga gone. I'm like, who, bitch? They like, KD, bitch. So I'm like, damn, bitch. I'm like, bitch, I'm really trying to figure out, like, bitch, what? Like, I'm trying to catch what's going on now. Like, I'm looking at him, talking to him. Well, I'm on some, man, y'all need to take me back to Jacqueline. Like, I ain't really trying to be around y'all that. So the nigga to Blim, he like, show me his gun. Like, you feel me? Big ass gun, like, drum on that bitch. He like, yeah, he shaking that bitch. He like, this bitch down there empty. He like, I had 50 in this bitch. For the guy, he like, I had 50 in this bitch.
When you drove by and you did the shooting, did you stop anywhere? Which way did you
I
drive?
didn't do no shooting.
Okay. Well, I mean, I'm saying when the shooting was done, which way did they drive? Which way did you drive when you left
They came toward my way too, but they end up turning off.
Okay.
This one, see the streets talk so much, this what they end up doing. They end up turning around and went back to the scene. And they supposedly got a bag out the car or some shit. Feel me? I heard like they walked up to the car, supposed to snatch the dude out or whatever, some shit. That's exactly what I heard. I heard they walked up to the car, supposed to finish shooting and grab the bag.
Well, while they were doing that, where were you? Because you went down.
Me?
Yeah, Fairfield.
I'm stuck in Warrenton.
Okay, well, where on Fairfield? Where did you drive? Because I know you didn't go all the way to Mobile. Where did you get off?
Warrenton Spur.
On the spur. Okay, and then where'd you go from there?
Straight.
All the way down towards the Navy base. Okay, where'd you turn from there?
By Warrenton Village.
So you went into Warrington Village?
Oh, I turned by Warrenton Village.
Okay, so you turned by Warrington Village. So is it a right turn? Okay, so you turn right by Warrington Village. Did you go by Warrington Village?
I have to show you, bro. I can't really like.
Okay. You want me to get something so you can show me? You get something so you can show me where you went?
No, I'm saying I have to show you physically. Right? You can take me.
Okay. But you went by Warrington Village, and then did you turn off any place down that way?
Like, I'm gonna make it a left. But shit,
was it right after or right before? Or?
See, around this time, they were still in the car then.
They were.
They were still in the car
Okay.
then.
So what I'm saying is because I know the area down there a little bit.
So
there's a couple of roads, right?
Yes.
You remember if you turned on the first one, turn left?
Yeah, it ain't really just that I'm not like, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I just don't want to be charged with the murder. Like I'll be charged with the accessory or driving the car, whatever it is, like that. But I feel like it wouldn't be right if I'm charged with the murder. If I know for a fact I ain't kill nobody. I ain't shoot nobody. So why would I be charged with a murder?
Let me go across the street here and talk to your brother real quick. Okay. All right. And we'll come right back in. Do me a favor, raise your right hand for me. You swear the information you provide is true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir. Hey, can I have a cigarette?
Give me 1 second. I'll see what I can do.
Hey, I was finna tell him to tell the other dude, that. Good. Hey, what you just saying? You know?
Yeah.
Hey, like how he was saying, we go talk to my brother, tell him keep that shit G. He know I was driving. I don't want no shooter, bro. Keep telling him I said keep that shit G.
I'll talk to you, bro.
Hey,
What's up?
I need Bob in here. But really need to pee, but I want a cigarette too.
Give me about 5-10 minutes, okay, man? We gotta get everything picture of it. You know, we're running around 20 different places at one time. So give me a minute, I'll get you the cigarettes, okay?
I've been feel like something like bro again, like I can't stay up, bro. Like
Oh, you mean like tired?
yeah, I know, like I'm dizzy, bro. Like not dizzy, like I'm falling asleep or catching myself, like feel it.
You're tired. Yeah.
Like,
If just lay your head down, it won't be too much longer.
I'm trying to sit. Come on, holler at me real quick.
I can't. Oh, give me a second. I'll come.
Oh,
What's what talking about, man?
I've been trying to see what's going on now.
What do you mean?
Like, after I talked to him, did anything like change a little bit?
I think they're talking to with your brother.
They been talking about Al, man.
Mm-hmm. They're talking to him. We talked to you for a while too.
Wow.
Yeah, probably. This probably didn't feel like it.
And then like I got somebody to call, like I feel in the car. Like ain't no way I can get in touch with my people, anything. They already said we're going to jail.
Oh, that I don't know. I know they're talking about it.
About what?
They were talking in there about it earlier, so I don't know.
What time is it?
4:44.
Yeah. I put took the car back. Man.
What car?
My cousin car.
Is there a number we can call so he knows where it is, or do you think?
Yeah, call this number. I need to call one too, but this one I think this day on
Damn, for real, call.
791.
I gotta get my notepad up.
Then they said they won't let me have no cigarette. They ain't even came back.
Yeah, Dave, we just need more people, and then we'll get you back down there. Is it 1850?
Yeah, 791.
791.
I think it's 8441.
441. What's his name?
That's Tati.
Tati?
Yeah.
Like TATI?
Yeah.
I'll let them. As soon as they get out of there, I'll give them that number. They'll probably call with you.
I just like this shit is crazy. Man.
I feel you.
I mean, I understand the brother lost his life or whatever, but shit.
Well, he wasn't, you know.
I know he wasn't even no street person. None of that. That's
No,
why it's all fucked up.
You know, it wasn't on purpose, but it wasn't an accident. You know.
Yeah. That was, but in my situation though, it's like it ain't like I did, like it ain't like I put like you feel me, ain't like I did nothing on purpose, like I even tried to avoid this shit.
How was it they knew about that dice game?
I don't know.
Who called them over there? Let y'all know.
But they said one of their people was over there watching it or some shit.
Do you know who it was?
No. I'm just like everything I told y'all about. I told y'all everything.
Whose people was it then?
The people Timmy and Real.
Timmy and Real?
Yeah.
What was it they wanted KD for? Was it the money on his head?
I don't know. Like, I honestly don't know. Like, I know he got something to do with Moon down. That's all I know. So but in my plan,
was Moon one of your people?
Yeah. But my whole plan
is the money that's on his head supposedly on the street over Moon?
I don't know. But like,
you don't know about the 35?
I ain't know he had 35. But how they get that? It's so crazy.
That's something to do with Moon.
I told you I really like y'all know how to catch their ass at them, you feel me? Like I honestly don't know. Like shit that's crazy, man.
They're the ones that put you all onto it.
Basically, well, not really. They like came told me what it is, like shit. But they like
what was it that they said that made like your brother and them like, all right, we're gonna go. You know?
They had just told me, bro.
Huh?
They willing to do dumb shit like that, bro.
Like it gotta be somewhere. They cheese at the end of the maze kind of thing.
Nah, see, I think what the fuck he said.
Because if there ain't no, I'm not just gonna go do it unless I just like to kill people.
No, I don't know.
Do they like to kill people?
I don't know, but no. Like,
Your brother don't like to kill people? I'm talking about Amos and them. So if they just showed up and were like, hey, we're gonna go, we got KD, like, there's got to be some reason for me, motivation for me to go do it for.
Yeah, but shit.
What would it be?
I don't know. I really wasn't talking to him like that. Like, I told him, like, I was kind of like shocked. Like, after everything, like, I've been shocked for a little while. Like, cause like, I knew for a fact like, I'd get in trouble, but I ain't feel like damn like that, like you feel me? I knew it's like I already knew it's sexual, like worse than the murder, like, but it's like damn,
What's worse than a murder?
a sexual. But he
Pretty
just,
sure that murdering somebody is worse than that.
but still, he just came to me like they gonna charge me with murder though. Like how can y'all charge me with murder? I ain't kill nobody, bro. I ain't shoot no gun, bro. I ain't pull no trigger, bro. Like you can't charge me, bro. Like then if you do it like that, bro. If I go try, I win, bro. I will, bro. Cause some fuck up, bro. I ain't pull no trigger, bro. I ain't kill nobody, bro. Like you can't charge me with murder, bro. You can't, bro. You gonna charge
They
me?
might be doing with maybe accessory. I don't know.
Like this shit just crazy to me, bro. Like even that accessory part, like shit. I really feel.
You're the only person I've talked to, so I don't know what other information
I'm
they've got.
saying, but I really feel like I mean, I ain't saying I should just get slapped on the wrist and let go for free, but shit, at the end of the day, like I was still forced, but against my will. I ain't gonna lie, I said so much shit, y'all don't even know what the fuck. Like I'm coming to my senses, like right now, but I done went to sleep like 3-4 times, like I really didn't want to come in here. Like not for real, like when I woke up, I looked at the paper soup shit. I'm like, damn, what the fuck? But shit just crazy. Cigarette. You can't get nobody to escort him out there with you? Shocking me back up?
I'll find somebody. Yeah.
I'm done talking shit. Talking ain't getting nowhere.
Yeah.
Shit. It's like, I got one anyway. It's a juvenile one though.
Yeah. Like a failure to appear or some shit.
Oh, yeah.
Was Timmy and them, were they hanging out with you all that night?
Oh,
What happened? Did they show up at the trailer?
I told you they called my phone.
Or they called you?
And like all around my dog.
What'd they say when they called you?
Like, dude, we got drop on KD, but we got drop on KD. Shit like that. Like, you feel me?
And then you told Amos and
I called him back and let him tell him. I put the phone on speaker
for Amos?
for all of them.
Uh,
Like, shit, like, we got to drop on this and that. So, shit, they're like, go get the car, get the car, get the car. So, shit, I'm telling cousin now, like, Tim and real, like, I really don't trust them for real. I don't. Like, they supposed to be my cousin, but they not my cousin for real. But, like, I know they swine. Like, you feel me? They'll do anything, cross out for some money, anything. They'll do it to you. So,
do you think they were in it for the money that was on Katie's head?
basically, come to find out, like, I heard, like,
It was 35 G's, what I understand. That's
listen,
pretty good.
That's not, I'm saying, fuck the money. What I heard was they got some money out that car. On Ladarius LD, the one that died.
Mm-hmm.
I heard this exactly what was on the street. Like, they said somebody went to the car and opened the door. We never went to the car.
Yeah. What?
We never
That's
walked
their
with-
money. That wouldn't have been KD's money.
No,
That's what.
That's what I'm saying. You still on KD. I'm not stuck KD. I'm talking about like.
Well, yeah, you're talking about what Ladarius might have had with him.
Yeah, they said they ended up getting a book bag. But shit.
Supposedly there wasn't a whole lot of money being exchanged at that.
And then, no cap, this how I kind of caught on. This one I caught on to, like, this one I knew was somewhere. They were trying to pay me to burn up the car.
Who was trying to pay?
Yeah.
There's a lot of people on
Tim and Real, bro.
Tim and Real.
They're trying to pay me to burn up the car, bro.
What were they going to give you to burn up the car?
$1,000.
A G?
A G.
Where'd they want you to burn it at?
I don't know, but I didn't do it. They didn't even want to drive the car, bro. No, bro. Hell nah, bro. Y'all already got me and some other shit. Like, I like, hell nah. They're like, man, what you scared, bro? You know how, like, people go talk, whispering to each other and shit? Shit, I felt like they were planning on me next. Shit. I swear they all scared, bro. So, shit, that's the only reason that they made me drive the car and park that bitch. Like, bro, you gonna drive this bitch? Like, it's showing. They ain't pointing the gun at me, show me a threat with the gun, but y'all showing me the shit. What you showing me the gun for? So, yeah, but they been empty. Then I turned around, shit. I had put some more shots in the back of the window, walked up to the car, filled them up. Like, I swear to God, like,
Who said that?
That's what they told me.
Which one of them? Trella and Timmy? So you're thinking they were in it for the money on KD and then whatever Ladarius had?
I guess.
It makes a little bit of sense. more than just a random, just wanting to whack them kind of shit.
Yeah, okay.
But you think they had someone that was in the dice game talking to them?
Yeah, they did. Well, I think they said their brother or somebody.
You ever talk to them on the phone?
No,
You said they called you,
I ain't talked to him recently though.
but that night.
That's not. And ever since then, they went to moving fun. I ain't never.
Was it an actual phone call, or was it like a messenger or some shit?
I don't know, bro. So I don't. Let me take the Xanax.
Pop bars.
Well, but no, I took two early. But like I took two when I first seen the police. Like, but like they wasn't for it. Shit, they was across the street. Shit, I ain't know. Lay it back out. Heard like a boom. Like I just shot him. I don't know. Run put it back.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't like I knew we were going to kill him. You feel me?
You supposed to be going for Katie?
No. I was picking regardless though. I wasn't trying to do it. Like I was low key. I just ain't want to show with no fear.
I can tell you, even they weren't going for Ladarius.
But what I'm saying is like shit. I just ain't want to show no fear. Like make it seem like I'm not scared. Like you feel me? Like so shit. Then the way they already talk tough, so shit. I'm like, shit, come on, like. Well, they like, come on, like slide, like. So shit. And I want to drive, shit. That's all they told me to do. That's all they want to do. They ain't have no gun, nothing. They like just drive it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, shit. I'm like, I don't.
Did Timmy and them said they were gonna give you guys money, like your brothers and them?
Yeah.
What were they gonna give them?
I don't know. They kept saying they're gonna look out for it. They're gonna look out for it. And then when we find out I was the wrong person, when I'm like, damn, but y'all wrong, bitch. I'm like, y'all dead ass wrong. I'm like, they stopped flying, stopped texting me. Then I end up, they caught me down bad one day. I seen him. Like, shit.
Where at?
At the block party. Yeah, like you wanted to do.
Which block party?
My car.
Huh?
Aries. When Moon just had Aries.
Okay, that one. The one that this the other day?
Yeah.
They were there?
With the book bag on.
What'd they say?
Shit. Playing shit like it's cool.
Huh.
Like, what's up? Straight, bro, you good? Oh, yeah, nah, because I've been hearing about this shit. So I've been had pressure on my shit. Feel me? Like,
You had this whole thing weighing in on him?
I already
He
knew.
told me even he's been worried about it. Prays every time he sees a cop, so
Yeah. I told her, I already knew this shit was coming. I knew eventually they were going to come get it.
it's nothing but tar on your soul. You gotta get it out. You can't take that with you.
That's why, like, only
You won't make it to the gates.
only I know I make it still because stuff like, I ain't take my life. I ain't killed, bro.
And I believe you.
Like, I didn't.
Yeah.
Like, I'm be honest, bro, I'm bold as fuck, bro. Like, if I did something, I'd tell you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, told you. That's just troll to come. But I never had a gun to pull the trigger. I even tried to stop it. Like, I never tell them, hey, bitch, shoot now. I never said shoot, bitch, shoot, bitch. I never said none of that. I never said nothing. Like, whatever they did on their own.
Mm-hmm. Where did they meet you back up at? The other two, Timmy and no.
Shit.
Because I know you took the spur and went down south.
See, I ended up getting a ride from Warrington.
So who took the car from Warrington?
They left it out there. They ended up coming back. They bought, that's how I know this was some weird shit. They bought me back by myself to the car.
So where did they pick, who picked you up in Warrington?
I don't know, bro. It was a long story. Like, it's like, we can call like two or three different rides. Because they supposed to came and got us, but they didn't. They left us for dead. So shit, instead of goddamn just going, I think we went to a store. Yeah.
What store?
Don't remember.
Like a corner store? And that's you, Amos, and
KJ.
KJ?
Yeah, I think
And somebody
we caught around my auntie.
Yeah, your auntie? Which auntie?
Denise Snowden.
Tanisha Snowden? Denise Snowden?
Caught her out for her.
Whose mom was that?
She got a little one, baby boy. So we caught her out for her. Oh, shit. Then.
Where did she take you to?
Cousin house. She took my cousin house up there. We loved us. So, like, we didn't even make it inside. We ended up calling the cab for them. We went back from Japanese. Shit, KJ, AJ, they left. They left. I was still there.
Where'd they go?
Don't know.
Just took off.
It took off. I was the only one there. Still,
And then the other two showed back up.
yeah, they like blue. They knocked on the door. That's when I'm like, what the fuck? Like now, like this shit just happened. So I'm like scared, low key. But I was like, hey, like bitch, tighten up, Bill. We got having that car, Bill. Like I'm like, what you mean, man? He like, I need to burn that, but I get you a rack. I'm like, yeah, nah, cuz I'm like, cuz I ain't getting back in that car, cuz G shit. I like, cuz listen to me, like, I ain't getting back in that bitch. Like, I ain't with this shit, cuz like, this ain't no shit I do, bro. I said, I might sell drug dealers some money. This ain't, I don't care if people do. I'm like, nah, cuz this ain't me. Like, the time up, bro.
So what happened?
So like, just before that, my cousin was arguing them, like, saying how they had left us and shit. Like, he was going around calling people saying how them niggas left us. Like, Tim and Red left us, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So shit, he went from that to Tim and them pull up. Like, I guess they heard. So it's like, now he's showing me the gun. He's like, nigga, nigga, y'all. Like, he basically saying, like, they ain't the only one shoot. Feel me? Like, he like, big bro made sure I did that. Like, nigga, like, I got out the car now, like, walked up to him, like, pop, like,
They're still thinking they got KD.
basically.
Yeah.
But when like after a couple like weeks and shit back, I kind of fucked up.
Well,
I got really in reality, I felt like they knew who the fuck it was the whole time. So the simple fact they tried to get me to come rob the dice game,
Yeah.
and I don't do shit like that. So I'm like, hell no, man, I ain't no way in fuck finna come rob no dice game, man. He went from that to big KD. So either I felt like y'all had to be there, and y'all lost money. Feel me? Y'all had to lose y'all money. Y'all felt some type of way. Now y'all want dead. Y'all want y'all money back. So that's how you end up going back in. Now when he got killed, that's how y'all end up going back in the car and getting the money.
I go either way.
But shit, either way it go.
They can, if you lose a little bit of money, but I know KD had a lot of money on his head. So that even made the bigger prize.
Yeah, I'm not saying. I'm just saying.
They could have got a little bit of money.
I'm just saying.
Hitting that dice game, but then, $35,000 shows up.
I'm just telling you what's going on, like what I think, like what I know, like.
Okay. But when they showed you gun, where did they take you once they picked you up
back to
from the trailer?
Back to the car. They had bleach in town.
Do what now?
They had bleach in town.
Okay. What would they do?
They went to wipe.
What were they just pouring? How were they doing it?
Like pouring on the red and the pipe.
Like the both of them or one of them?
One on shining flag, like one white and one like down a bit help. They need help wipe it. I'm like, yeah, nah, bro. I ain't doing nothing, bro. Like I'm starstruck. This shit just happened, like. So I stayed back. So like now we in this dark ass trail. He's like, so shit, you ain't gonna drive this bitch either? He's like, you ain't gonna drive this bitch either? I'm like, 12, man. He's like, follow me. I'm like, no, man. Like, bro, just leave it there, here, man. Like, follow me, man. Tighten up. Shit. So I'm like, I'm by myself. Bro, I'm the man with me, shit. I feel like shit. My life is dating. So all of a sudden they take me way out here to Bugle, like. Shit. When I park the car in the little bushes, they go all the way down the road and come back up slow as fuck. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, what type of time they on? Like, first, before I'm finna get in the car, the door locked. So I'm like, man, you full kidding me, shit.
What they do when they picked you up from out there in Beulah?
They took me out there. They took me there.
Mm.
Shit. Then I got in the car with them. Then I went back to Jackson. And by the time I got back, shit, they was there. And I was just like.
So you drove the car up to Beulah?
Like, basically.
And you parked it in the wood, like the little wooded area?
Yeah.
And then they picked you up from there?
They was following. They took me out there. Like,
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Like.
So they gave you the ride back to town?
Yeah, basically, they home, like, and then, like, the whole way back, like, I'm just listening. They ain't talking, ain't nobody talking. But I'm so fucked up, like, what just happened. Like, I'm trying to, like, my first time seeing, like, some shit like that, like, I'm trying to see what the fuck. Like, I didn't even see the car when it went in the ditch. Like, going around the curve, I almost hit the car because stuff like, I ended up turning, like, looking. Like, so many holes in the, I don't remember saying, like, holes in the window, like, my head's, like, went back. Shit got off, like.
And that's when you were all next to each other?
Yeah. Like, the whole time we next to each other.
You think you bumped them?
I didn't. I know for a fact I didn't. I never touched it. Oh, God. I went over some, so I know I ain't bumping.
Do what now?
I said I went over a little bit, so I know I didn't bump him.
Oh, okay. So when they picked you up from Beulah, they took you straight back to Jacqueline and just dropped you off, and
I'm
then
talking about, baby, just chill, but bro, we're gonna be good, bro. Just chill, we straight, all this, that. I'm like, he's like, yeah, bitch.
did he say really like we're gonna make it right? We're gonna give you like a G or 5G or what were they telling y'all?
He's like, but you need to blow that bitch up, for real, right? He's like, yeah, right to blow that bitch up.
Come in the car?
Yeah.
That's still after you've already dumped it.
Yeah, I'm like, no, bro. Like, oh, and get back in that car, bro. And then the keys, they said they found in the house. Let me make the keys to the car. Oh, God, that's the key to a Ford truck.
Well, how much was like Amos and KJ y'all gonna get for helping them? How much were they gonna get for helping them? You said they're gonna make it right.
I don't know. They said that afterwards, like after they figured out it was the wrong person. They're like, nah, that's the wrong dude.
But what if it wasn't the right person or the wrong person? What was the reward?
Don't know.
You know what I'm saying?
See, they made it seem like it was just off the screen to the moon. Like, feeling like they just gonna do it for moon.
Your brothers?
I guess shit. All that, like they made it seem like it's just for moon. Like we're doing this for moon. Like, but they kept telling me, "But this for moon, but I'm right there. Like I just got to tell not too long ago, but shit.
Great.
Swap.
Yeah. It's sad, man.
Like I tell you, all my responsibility, like man. Like I told her, I'll take the whatever it is with the driving part. You feel me? But I feel like I shouldn't be charged with murder. Not first degree murder at that, because I didn't pull no trigger. But then if they charge me like that, that's charging me wrong. Feel me? That shit ain't gonna stand. Cause I didn't pull no trigger, bro. Didn't kill nobody. But the shit like with KD and all that, I don't know, bro. Like,
Yeah. Well, we're trying to make sense of it. That's all. Because his mom was a real nice lady.
I already know that good person too. Like, talk to him.
We're just trying to find answers for him. Like, just why? Just trying to make it make sense. Because it was like Katie, I get it, but there's got to be a reason they wanted Katie real bad.
I see me like you gotta think about it. Me just again now. I don't know about shit that like what happened before. Feel me? When Moon got killed, I was in jail.
Yeah.
Like when everything else went to happen and shit, like probably people dropping money on people's head, I'm not gonna know because I was in jail. You feel me? So I'm just getting back out here for real. So I'm just like peeping, seeing, like listening. That's all I want. That's all I went down. I'm just listening.
How long you been out?
I got out in March, but not this long. But I
Not yet.
Hmm?
Said you weren't out too long before that happened.
April, May, June, July, 4 months.
That point.
Shit, that's crazy.
Mm-hmm. They come in and they have pictures of anybody they think is in that blame or the trail or whatever to me. No. If I can come talk to you some more then about that. See if we can't figure out who those guys are.
No, man.
Huh?
I'd rather, it's like everything sounds done, bro. I'd rather get the jail, so I gotta try to get my lawyer, bro.
I hear. I know you got some coke. You need anything other than that cigarette? I'm gonna try to work on finding somebody to help me and get you downstairs. Bathroom?
Get the people on the time.
See what I can do for you, all right?
Oh yeah, phone call too, bro. Right.
Bruce has got to be the one to make the phone call. So you can. I'll let him know though. I got the number and all that.
I'm saying that's not the only person I need to call. That's the car. That's the car that is. I need to call my mom, family. Like,
okay, yeah.
This shit serious. I need to call my family, bro.
I hear you. I'll let him know.
Hey, what they got you doing? Huh? What you got? They got you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Just doing follow up work with stuff. Why?
Like,
what you need? You need to come back in a little bit and talk to you some more?
Really advice. I can't stand in the room like that shit fucking with me. Like, you feel me? Like,
I hear you. I'll come back in.
Not just that, look. I really just need the cigarette though. You don't think they can't get nobody real quick?
I'm gonna try to find somebody. The problem is it's past 4. Everyone goes home.
Oh, son.
Normally it's only like an 8 to 4 kind of place. There's only a handful of people left, so and they're all spread out. So I'm gonna try to find them for you. Yeah. We'll go take you down.
Please do, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Yo! Oh my God, bro. Like, come, I got a piece in the bag. Hold on, hold on. You use the bathroom, man? Sit down. Let me see. You still talking about brother?
What's that?
They still talking about brother?
Yeah.
Get your hand. All right.
You got one, bro?
Yeah.
All right, go. I'll leave. No, just walk with him. Just follow him.
I don't mean as much as I know, right?
Yeah, please we're gonna take off the door. Oh dear. Thank you. Leave the other ones on because they ain't even be here too much.
Want some?
Yeah. I'll put it up.
Gotcha.
Good.
Hold on, who did it again?
What you want to do?
I'm finna stop it right now. It's cold, bro. Oh. Get off here.
It ain't gonna hurt yours. Oh, I know. I put on some sort of one.
Well, yeah.
Who?
My brother.
There you go, man.
Huh?
I just talked to your brother. Talked to him for a minute, but now we got an issue.
What?
He says that he was the driver.
Oh, fuck, he wasn't. God, he wasn't. All my life.
And then he said that you were the right girl. Passenger.
No. Yeah, not going back. I'll drive on cover.
So that's not the case.
Yeah, no, I would drive.
Your job?
Right, honestly, that's true, bro. I told you what's up. I would drive, bro. Whoa! Hey! Oh,
Huh?
oh, so you just
They're gonna be just a little bit. They're gonna finish up some stuff. But I can't talk to you no more. They told me not to.
what?
They just don't want to talk to you no more.
They still talking about brother?
No, and they're not talking to y'all anymore.
Well, here.
Hmm?
Well, here.
We did another one of these rooms somewhere.
Yeah, that shit don't make sense. You just came here and said some shit like, my brother said that you was driving around. That shit don't make sense. Then y'all just said that my brother said that he was in the car.
Mm-hmm.
So how the fuck, if he in the car, I'm driving the car. He just said that my brother said I was driving the car, right? Not so long ago. So how the fuck now that my brother saying he driving the car? That don't make sense to me, bro.
I don't even know where you heard that from.
The dude just came in here.
Oh.
Oh, so they ain't gonna let me get the cigarette in.
I'll still get you one before we get you over there. I'll get you a cigarette. All right.
So
But they really don't want me talking to you anymore.
So it's already said and done, though. It's already said and done.
So it sounds like that.
Like, so what we try to murder?
I don't know what your charger's going to be. I know it's tough, but hang out for a little bit.
We're working on getting you out of here, man. I gotta get your DNA real quick, okay? This will be easy and quick.
Oh, they charged us?
No, not yet.
They ain't gonna charge us?
They might. I don't know. I'm not the lead investigator. I was asked to come in here and get your DNA.
I mean, I know that y'all really got enough evidence. I don't know, don't you? What the case?
Like I said, I'm not the lead, so I'm not sure.
They told me not to talk to you no more if I can't answer your questions.
All right, man. I'm gonna do this side first.
I really feel like it's evidence, but bro, like it's really like it sounds like we going against each other, though.
What do you mean? Going against who?
It's like me and my brother saying like it's really not. I'm really not saying evidence in this shit. Like it's like he say, she say.
What, you think your brother would sell you out?
No, I didn't do shit. I'm just saying. I already admit. I drove the car, but at the end of the day, he say, she say, bro. Hey, wait for cigarette.
I told you before we get you, if they take you over there, or if they cut you loose, either way, I'm gonna make sure you get a cigarette.
So they talking about cutting us loose though?
I can't tell you. That's what I'm saying. But I'm gonna keep my word on this. Huh?
You let me know. Sure.
I don't know. That's what I'm telling you. But I'm gonna make sure you get one though, because I told you I'd get you one. So I'm gonna keep that promise.
Let me ask you something real quick. I just talked to your brother too. Do you want to talk to your brother, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you talk to him before we leave. I was talking to him about how much the hit for KD was, and he was telling me that it was like, I don't know, $30,000 or some shit like that.
See,
So
we don't know. We just know it's a hit on him. Like,
you just knew there was just a hit on it.
but at the same time, we weren't like trying to really like. I know me. I really tried to avoid everything low key. Like I tried to.
But I mean, all you knew was that there was a hit, and you didn't know how much.
Yeah, I didn't even care about no money.
Okay. All right. Give me a second.
But excuse me,
I'm gonna be right back and swear. I just
you
gotta
getting charged?
I gotta use a head. What?
You getting charged though?
We're still working on that, Jeff.
Hey, bud. Ask you a couple questions real quick. You spill some?
Yeah, right.
What?
Oh my God.
Yeah. I'll show you a couple pictures. Tell me if you recognize these guys.
Uh-huh.
Who's that?
The mastermind of the plan.
Huh?
The masterminds of the plan.
What's his name?
Real.
Bro, hey, sit up. I need you to write whatever you just write that name down. Pull your hands out of your shirt, man. Nope, nope, right here. Right there next to it. It's real.
Mm-hmm.
All right, sign your name underneath it.
Huh?
Just write your name. However you sign it. You ever signed before?
Yeah, I'm saying that's right.
But just so I know, could this so
Niggas die like that.
Hmm?
You won't like it.
Hey, you're in here, you're good.
Saying, hold on, bro.
Right here.
That's Tim.
Huh?
Tim. Oh, yeah, I was in jail.
Who is that?
Tim. With Blim.
What they call him Timmy too? Is what you're saying?
Well, that's the mastermind, bro.
This one?
Both of them. They came up with that shit. They called us.
Okay. I believe it. Hey, brother. You got cigarettes with you? Huh? You got them with you? What? Cigarettes?
Yeah. You got one of those. That usually helps some. Where'd they go for a bit?
Oh, I wonder.
You didn't think I was going to, did you?
Dude, it takes time. You know, we got a lot of shit we have to bounce around and do. You know what I mean?
You ain't gonna let me no phone call, bro?
I'll handle the phone, brother.
Well,
You think I let you make a phone call here? We do everything outside, though.
these my homies ain't going on. Oh, bro.
Made double walkies so they don't tighten up on you, okay?
He's too down. Fine, bro. Hey, bro. Well, listen, I don't know.
I got one for him, brother. I can't do it, unfortunately. We do our rules here, you know. Yeah.
No,
Is it tight? Okay, let's make sure up for you, bro.
Oh, this one.
Oh, really?
Okay, I got it.
Okay, I see it. You're right. You're right.
They ain't about done yet?
Hmm?
They ain't done yet?
Nah, dude, you'd be amazed with how much clerical bullshit goes into all this. This just so it doesn't tighten up on you,
Yeah.
right? I only brought the marble shorts, though, dude.
You did say you're going to help my
That's hard to go on. There's all that thing on my shorts. There's you right back from the same spot, all right? Well, we need to use the bathroom up and tell us, okay?
I'm full of that. Ain't got no cover?
Huh?
I have blanket in it?
Nah, dude. Shit, I'd be using it every day. What? We get stuck here sometimes for 2 days straight, man. Yes.
We ain't gonna be able to
You put that back in the drawer there.
Yeah, we shouldn't be able to educate.
Oh, no, hell no, dude. Son, damn. Give me another one. You should be out of here by the hour, so.
An hour.
Yeah. Once they finish your paperwork, it takes a little bit. Paperwork takes it's just names.
Shit, won't take us to the jail then.
We used to be able to do that, but they don't let you do that no more than they do. We'd have to like just sit over there with you in this another room. We'll just hang out here. Honestly, it's nicer here than it's over there. For sure.
I drove the phone and shit.
They won't let you do that. You got to fight for it.
What's going on?
Wait on your paperwork. Wait on your paperwork.
What paperwork?
Paperwork for the take girl street.
Called jail?
Yeah.
What charge?
You have to read them to you when they get it.
Damn, like they still don't.
Huh? It's sent to the state attorney to be coming back any minute now.
Yeah, they sent it off and shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been sent off. We're just waiting for her to get it back.
Yeah, tell the dude to come holler at me.
Which one?
One who talked to him in the beginning.
The older guy?
Yes.
We need to talk to him now.
Oh yeah, ask a question.
Okay.
Hey, you still gonna let me get a smoky shit?
Maybe we'll see. We use another one on the way before you go over. We'll see.
Hey, oh yeah, hey, excuse. I thought they said they're gonna let my brother come in.
I don't mind.
Huh?
They might.
Yo. Yo. Hey, Jay. LeBron. Yo. I got pee. Yo. Excuse me. Did you tear up my wall? Yeah, I ain't do that. Huh? I pulled the table from the wall. I don't feel like it. You know. They're trying to get you out of here.
You done with the soda?
Nah, they ain't got no. Alright. When that gonna be?
I'm hoping I won't. Yeah.
Man, that's your rubbish. And you had told her I want to talk to him too.
Yeah, he knows.
They ain't take Amy yet? They ain't take him yet?
Both of us waiting on paperwork.
The conviction was reversed because the trial court should have granted the motion to suppress the interrogation statements by this particular defendant. The case is going to go back to the prosecutors and to the court in Pensacola. Prosecutors can seek to retry the case because the opinion basically says that it is reversed and remanded for a new trial. Now, of course, there can be negotiations, and a plea deal could be made where the defendant agrees to lesser charges. We shall see what happens. We'll keep you updated. The opinion is excellent, and it explains the details that matter, that make a difference on whether or not a motion to suppress an interrogation should be granted, depending on the conduct of the detectives and on the statement and conduct of the defendant. So if you all want the full reading of the opinion, which is several pages long, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Beep that your crime.
Stand up. Talk to each other.
You go. Well,
So they charged with it. Huh? What they charged with? Murder? I don't know. I got to believe, so I don't know what all the charges are. Man, get a smoke real quick. We'll get you one before we get out of here.
now watch this, now.
Huh?
Now watch this. Now watch how he say he out driving.
Pull those up arms over, put your hands behind your back. That way, because they're going to get y'all out of here before long. So, that way they're already behind you.
Hey, you loosen these up a little bit. He was tight as fuck. You gonna spell? Telling you.
Yeah, when let me double lock these so they don't get tied on. Let me get this one. Sam, let me see them ones on your ankle. Oh, we loosened them already.
These nothing really took them off. These others.
They took them off and put them back on?
Basically.
Hold that leg up for me, too. They done got that one man bobbing.
The victim in this case was a local football star. He was loved in the community. When the murder happened, the Escambia Sheriff's Office dug deep to try to find out who killed Ladarius, and eventually they got their men. 2 brothers, Amos Snowden and Daquavion Keamos Snowden. Both were convicted in the murder, but now the appellate court has reversed Daquavion's conviction, while it also affirmed Amos's conviction. The case against Daquavion was sent back to the trial court, but the prosecutor dropped the case, realizing that the evidence from the interrogation was key in securing the conviction, and that he did not have enough to prove Daquavion's involvement beyond a reasonable doubt. So, at least for now, Daquavion was set free. He is a free man. That does not mean he will never be charged. If the state develops more evidence against Daquavion, he could be recharged for the murder. Some of you might ask whether the state of Florida will have to compensate Daquavion for spending time in prison, given that his conviction was overturned. We leave that question for his lawyers. However, generally speaking, a defendant in such a situation may have to prove that they are actually innocent in order to get compensated, at least in Florida. Okay, that's it for this video. May Ladarius Clardy rest in peace, and may he and his loved ones get all of the justice they deserve. Until next time, Megan.